Hey, good evening, everyone. We'll start with the live session, and then once we make some $300-400, then we'll look at if anyone has any questions, setup doubts, or anything. We'll help them out. So, as you most of you know, the first step is to see like which are the most bullish or most bearish tickers, and then we have to work with them. So, when you go on the change percentage, if you see wheat, it is not really 2.22%. It basically because the contract got changed. So we are seeing, so you can ignore that, right? It is not really wheat which went up 2%. Uh, then 6J, generally we don't touch currencies. Currencies also we can avoid. Really there is nothing on the bullish side which is looking good. So now let's look at the bearish side. This soybean also, it is because of the, I think because of the contract change. So if you see a different price here, but if you see a different price, that means basically it is a contract, right? The current month expiry, they're moving to a new contract. So natural gas is looking good for bearish, continue to go down. Natural gas is one of the important tickers for the sell opportunity. And then crude oil. Crude oil is also looking good for the sell opportunities. Then even corn futures is also good for sell opportunity. So yeah, these are the three major ones we'll focus for the sell. And then silver, as of now, it is somewhere in the midpoint. If it goes to the top around 8 o'clock, if it is around the top, then it can come all the way down. So as of now, it is just a 0.1%. So it is neither bullish nor bearish. Same thing, copper also same thing. Platinum also same thing. So yeah, I'll be here, but yeah, Shiva will drive it. If anyone has any questions, you can put it in the chat window, and I'll be helping with answering on the chat window. And yeah, Shiva, you can share your screen and
Yeah, sure, sure. Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Let's see. So CL, let's check CL. Okay, so CL so far it down almost 1%. And you can see the channel is facing down. So that means currently it is in a downtrend. So here you can see there is one dot white line going here, right? This indicates that this is the time the evening session opened. Okay, so before the session opened, you can see that it was already in a downtrend, right? It started selling almost around 10 o'clock in my time, which is Pacific time, and it was keep selling till the market closes. Even after the evening market session opens, it was continued to sell. Then there was a small pullback, right? And then it started selling again. And so far, if you see, this is in the middle of the channel. The next is, and then you can also see right now, 3 and 5 minutes are choppy, right? The background color, the, the gray color indicates these are choppy, right? 15 and 30 are bearish, higher time frames are bullish. So for Apex and prop firm tradings, we always look at 5 and 15. So in order to take short, at least our condition is we should have 5 and 15 should be red, right? But RSI is red. RSI 5 and 15 are red. You can see it's below 50. So that is a good sign for shorts. But at the same time, here we have a support, right? So it may try to come and to this support, which is around 77, 73 area. Right now it is sitting at 77, 78. It may drop little bit further down where there is a huge order block. So this was a prior support where it bounced here. You can see. So our algorithm already plotted those support, and we can also see how much volume as per the price pulse is out there nearby to that area. So we can expect bounce in that area, right? Just give me one moment. So let's see how much volume we have here. So it is around 455, not that much. This is just 9%. Okay, let's see. But overall, it is still bearish. Also, you can see that we have a buy and sell, which is very closer to each other, which means this is still in choppy. So always choppy price actions, right? These are not. This will not help us to make any good decision. So we always have to wait for the right setup, as Ravi was saying yesterday, right? Uh, Trading is all about patience. Okay, patience and waiting for the right setup. Then entering with the right setup with proper stop loss, proper take profit. So then you will be successful most of the time. Yeah, so these targets that these are coming from our ultimatum indicator. I have ultimatum enabled, but if you don't have it, that's fine. These are so I have this ultimatum algo, so where these targets are coming from. So right now, ultimatum indicator is telling that it is in a short, right? So it gave a shot on the ultimatum side. So it gave an entry point at 78.2, the stop loss at 78.4, and the T1 means target 1, target 2, target 3 and 4. So for the last shot, we already achieved target 1 and target 2. Right now price is sitting at 77. So the entry we gave was 78.20. So it almost dropped 20 cents there, and then here there is almost another 12 cents. Yeah, if you have ultimatum indicator, if you signed up for ultimatum indicator as part of your subscription plan, you should be able to get that entry and exit, so that sometimes you don't want to assume where to get entry, where to take profits, right? So in that case, if you want to make your life easier, this will help you to understand where is your entry and where are the potential places where you can book profits. Yeah, that's what it indicates. So for CL, we since this is in a downtrend, we need to wait for the next sell opportunity. So right now this is still in a choppy range that you can see here. So this is not a good time for us to enter. So we have a sell order block, a new resistance formed here around 77.87 area. So let's see what other questions we have. NG going for double top. Yes, okay, let's check NG. Yeah, natural gas. Yeah, natural gas is also bearish so far. Right now, yeah, right now, so we have order block here. So this would have been a very good area to short. So right now, you see, this was a sell opportunity, but at the time, the cloud was still green and there was no sell opportunity or sell dot in the MACD. And background was still red. So probably this would have been a nice place. So it came down from this place around 2.9292 to 2.924. Right now, if you see the candles are indecision candles, as you can see, we have wicks on both top and the bottom, right? That means the price can go few points up and it will come down few points and it will try to stay within a small range. So we need to wait for a next sell opportunity or next sell signal at the red dot. Maybe what we can do, we can try to enter. Let's see, in 5 minutes, we got a sell here in QG, but not in NG. NG, we already have a sell signal already. So let me check. 5 minutes still shows choppy here. We don't have a red candle. These are green candles, indecision candles. So that was the only thing. Let's see if we have other good tickers. Yeah, SI, silver. Okay. So silver so far in an uptrend. So it came all the way down here. Then we got a buy signal. So this was a good entry. After we got a green background with the buy signal on the left with the green dot in ultimate. So it went all the way to the very shorter block here and it sold off a little bit. And again it went down, it sold off a little bit. So then it was in a downtrend. So when it comes to the bottom of the channel, that's a good area to buy. So let me see if we can enter. Okay, 5 and 15 minutes are bullish. And we okay 29.05. I think silver is good. Silver is good to go for long. Yeah, I think silver is good. We can enter long on silver. Okay. So I entered market, but if you don't want to enter, you can always go to the trade option. Yeah, right. So you can bid for some prices on the left. So you can bid for some prices between what are the current price. So you can bid somewhere in the bottom. Okay. So stop loss we can keep some. Right now I entered at around 29.065. So stop loss would be somewhere around here. Sell stop just to make sure and take profit. If we get some $100 to $150 somewhere around here, when it reaches here, we can book profits. Okay. Sell limit. Yeah, so silver, if you see, so we have a green dot here. So we have a buy signal. The background turns to green and the cloud is also green. The candle changed from indecision to yellow. Yellow is a change in trend. Then we have a green candle, right? So this is a good entry to enter long. So when you enter a line here, everything matches. MACD is green. We have green dot, right? So everything good. And 5 and 15 minutes are above 50, right? 5 minutes RSI is 72, 15 minutes RSI is 57. Target at this time the volume will be less, so it will takes time to reach. So around 29.115. We can we can book profits around $100 to $150 when it reaches here. I think this place would have been a good entry. So we enter a little bit late, but that's all. This place would have already made 150 to 200.
Yeah, I think copper is also good.
Okay, sure. G.
Yeah, did a double bottom and got buy signal.
Yeah, we are good to go. Copper is also good. Yeah, it might go and hit this. 5 minutes is good. 15 minutes, it's still okay. 15 minutes is still 42. But 5 minutes is still okay. copper long too. So you can go to trade, put some bid price somewhere here. And then sell somewhere here. Okay, so silver is almost going to hit 100. So be ready to lock profits on silver. Okay, copper also entered long. Platinum exited, Zatom exited. Okay, Zatel. So you can also see after we set up these alerts, you can see these alerts are getting triggered, right? You can see that Platinum exited RC channels borders on the time frame we mentioned here, and the same thing for ZM and ZL. So as soon as you get these alerts, you can go and enable the buy and sell alerts. Okay, if the channel is exited at the top of the channel, you can enable sell alert, right? If it is a bearish sticker, if it is a bullish sticker, you can enable. If it exit at the bottom of the channel, you can enable buy alert. Then you will start getting, okay, we got $100, so I'm gonna book profits on silver. Okay, yeah, I'm done with silver. So hope everyone booked the profits. So I'm satisfied with $100. So I booked the profits. And if in case you're copy trading for 20 account, this is almost $2,000, right? So make sure to book the profits, because silver has a tendency of quickly reversing back. Okay, so you have to be very quick in booking profits. And copper is still running. So if copper, right, if copper 15 minutes is also bullish in the RSI, it will have more, it will go faster. It will go faster to this place where we have a sell order block. Since 15 minutes is still under less than 50, so it might take a while. It may go very slowly, right? Only 5 minutes, we have a 5 minutes RSI is positive. So I would expect to have 15 minutes also to be positive to go faster. Okay, so now let's look at some other tickets. So I got a notification that PL Platinum exited RC channels borders at 955 points on the 3 minutes time frame. So I received this alert on 5:51 my time. So my current time is 5:54, right? So then you can click on this alerts log. It will take you directly to the ticker, right? Now you can see. So copper is in a bearish trend, right? So this is a bearish channel, and it exited the top of the channel. So now if we have to wait for a sell signal, and then MACD should have a red dot, and then we need at least 5 and 15 minutes to be red in order to go short. I think it is trying to change the trend because as we can see, 5 and 15 minutes RSI is bullish, and the cloud is bullish. So this was a good entry for long. Okay, we missed it. Unfortunately, it was before the session. Otherwise, we would have made good money here. So it pumped from 952 to 955, almost 3 points. That's a huge for copper. Sorry, platinum. Sorry. And this is 3 minutes time frame. So if you want to check in 5 minutes, we can check in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I think platinum is also good. 5 minutes. Okay, we have 5 and 15 are bullish. The trend is bullish. I think we can go long on copper. We have green dot, background is green. So yeah, we can go on platinum long. Right, so try to bid somewhere here and sell somewhere here. Yeah, platinum, hope you guys got the idea, right? So we have a green dot on MACD. We have a buy signal, trend changed from red cloud to green cloud. So we have a yellow candle, which means a trend change. We have a buy signal. We have green Fibonacci candle. This is not indecision, so this is a good long candle. Background is also green. Cloud is also green. 5 and 15 minutes RSI is also above 50. 62 and 56 are very good. And 1 minute is also very good. So all of our conditions satisfied. Even if you draw a dot here, everything matches along with the line. So we are entering long. We hope to get at this limit price. So right now, the current limit price is 955.0. Three people are trying to buy, and we wanted to buy at 954.9, like 1 point below the current bid price. Let's see if we get it filled. Then we can go. It may go and touch all the way to the 956.6 sell order block. Yeah, as I said, copper will move slowly since the 15 minutes RSI is still below 50. Okay, so that was one of the alert, right? Then we can check the next alerts. We got 555 NKD exited RC channel border. So now let's look at what's happening at NKD. Okay, so NKD is a bullish ticker. Point number one. It's a bullish trend, right? It's a bullish ticker. So if you look at the prior history, what happened? I think yeah, platinum got executed, order got executed. So let's wait. So this is a bullish ticker. So if you look at the prior history, what happened? It got sold off heavily here. Then it found support around this area 38,445, and we got a buy signal. So especially the area where we have good opportunity to get a very good clean buy signal is look at on the left whether we have a huge sell-off, right? Especially if there's a huge sell-off like this, non-stop sell-off like this, and then when you get a buy signal with all the, again, if you look at this buy signal, this was not satisfied our condition, right? Even though we got a green dot here, the cloud was still red and background was still red, so we will not enter into this buy. Then, but you could have entered this short, the sell, right? So that would have taken us all the way to the bottom. Then this buy, we have green dot here, we have a buy signal, but the background was still red. So, and then the background got changed to green.
Shiva,
So
if anybody want to book profits on copper, they can book it. It moved well because 8 o'clock there can be a,
yeah, I
on the
think
copper. Copper, did you already book it?
Yeah, I filled my sell order. It's already booked. Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah. Everybody take profits on 8 o'clock. There can be a big move either sides.
Yeah. So if you,
Yes.
as you can see, right, I was looking at other tickets, but I already submitted my buy order, sell order, everything. So system already taken care of all my orders, so that I don't need to continue to look at the chart. Right. I also defined my profit targets. Even if the trade goes against me, I also set the stop loss. So I covered. So I covered all the bases, right? So without even looking at, even before Kishore says, all my profits already booked. Okay, so this is a way you manage. When you enter the trade, know your entry, know your profit target, know your stop loss. So these are the three basic elements of any before you enter any trade. Okay, so now we are good.
Yeah, we booked profits on all the three.
Yeah,
Copper is done, platinum and
silver is
silver.
all.
Right. GC also we can.
Yeah,
Can you see NKD once? NKD also should be good.
yeah.
NKD and silver will make nice profits.
So NKD right now is bearish. 5 and 15 are bearish.
Yeah, let's wait. Yeah. We are looking at September contracts or
NKD, let me check. Maybe NKD.
go to September 1.
Yeah, NKD.
Yes, it's still bearish. Yeah, it is not ready yet.
Okay,
Go
then.
to GC, Shiva. Check GC. Because generally all the metals will move in the
Yeah.
same direction.
Yeah, see, one more thing I forgot to tell. When you are taking long on silver, you can also take long on GC because gold and silver they move in the same direction, right? So if you see, it already hit the sell order block here, right? That's why it started selling now in 5 minutes. So yeah, we missed it. Otherwise, it would have made nice gains as well. Uh, One more thing, what you can do, you can also add. This is just another tips that I want to share. You can also add EMA 200. Okay, it's not necessary, but just to help you understand the higher time frame trend. Okay, EMA, and then you can make it to EMA 200. Change this color to somewhere same color. Oh yeah, here it is. So this is the exponential moving average 200. Okay, which it's not necessary, but still just wanted to share some extra tip to you guys. Um, Especially you can see that for silver, right? So you can see whenever the price goes and touches this EMA 200 from the underside, it will fail. Okay, it will. So even though if you get long, you have to book profits whenever it touches this line. Okay, that is one thing. You can also, but in our algorithm, we also see that we have a sell order block here, right? So that also helps you to know that whenever the price reaches here, you see it was a big red candle, right? You can. That's why I said you have to book profits. Otherwise, it will quickly reverse back and take all the gains back. So normal candle, did you see this? Right? For all the last 30, 40 minutes of pump, it dumped in one candle simply, right? That's why I always try to book profits or even put profits target. Okay, when even before when you're taking the trade, no, this is my profit target. Okay, this is my stop loss. This is my entry, right? This is my entry. This is my target. This is my stop loss, and this is the And also position sizing is very important. Okay, always go with the same position size for every trade, because you never know which trade will be successful, which trade will be not successful, right? So position sizing is very important. Every trade go with the same position size so that you will be consistent in every trade you make. So this trend line will help you to see the overall trend, right? If you look at the price in relations with this trend, you can see that it's overall in a downtrend, right? As you can see here, once price close below this line, EMA 200, every time it comes and touches this line, sell off. Every time it comes and touches this line, sell off. Every time it comes and touches this line, sells off. Every time it comes and touches this line, sells off. But it won't continuously do that every time, right? There will be a time where it will break this. It will break and then start to move up again. Once it starts to move up again, and when this line comes below this, all these candles start to go up above this line, and this line goes below, that will signifies that it will continue to move up, right? As you can see, the trend also starts to reverse. Our channel also showing upwards, right? Upward trends. So it may go and bounce. It may, when it goes and breaks this line, it may come to the middle of the channel. Then it again starts to bounce. It may break this resistance. Then this 200 line will come below. Then every time when the price comes and touches this 200 line from the top, it will bounce, right? And then it will start to go up again. Then again comes down, touches from this line, it will bounce. Like how it happened here when it was in the bottom, it comes and touches this line, sells off. If it happens in the top portion of the channel, it will keep this line as support. This is just additional tips. You can still use it or don't use it, but just wanted to share
Shiva,
this.
CL is also good, Shiva. Only thing is 15 minutes is still red, but yeah, CL is also looking good for a
Okay,
long.
yeah, let's check. Okay, let's, uh, okay.
But
I think CL is good. We can go along on CL. Yeah, 5 minutes is 52. Let's go along on CL. Okay, so now go to trade, and this is the current bid price. So you can bid something somewhere here, and then profit target somewhere here. We can readjust the profit target later, right?
actually,
Okay.
it moved very quickly.
Yeah.
So,
Especially if your 5 minutes is above 50, right? It's a good confluence. And 1 minute and 5 minutes, they are bullish, it will move faster. And even at 15 minutes also bullish, it will move really fast. Okay, and stop loss we can put somewhere here. And stop. Yeah, you can save it. Yeah, in case you guys find any other ticker, let me know. So we all can enter there. Yeah, CL also, if you check, it will go up to EMA 200, right? As you can see, this is our EMA 200 line, right? So this could be our target, 78.2. It may go up to there, but it will go slowly, right? Because it is now at 77.91. So CL moves like 0.01. Okay, so it moves slowly, but eventually it will reach there. And CL also, as you can see, right? This is a very good example. So you got a buy signal after a huge sell-off here, right? You can see in the afternoon session, it had a huge sell-off. It dropped all the way from what was the price? 78.89. It came down all the way to 77.72. So CL one drop move is $1,000. So it almost dropped to $2,000 for one contract. This was a huge drop for silver. So after this huge drop, if you get a buy signal, that is a good opportunity, provided you have your RSI confluence, you have a green dot and MACD, background is green. You got a buy signal, the green background with the green signal, like green candles. So this will go at least minimum 50% of this sell off. Or you know which is your target, right? If you enter, you always try to book profit at $100 to $150 because anyway you're multiplying with multiple accounts. Okay, so I book profit. You saw that, right? I got some around $50-$60. I already booked profits because the moment when I entered, I already hit my profit targets. So it already hit my profit target. If you want to hold, you can still hold. It may go up to this EMA 200 line, which is somewhere around 78.14, but it takes time because this time the volume will be very less. We can see the volume around 6.9K, which is good. But if you taken multiple contracts, you can at least try to book one profit, one contract profits. It will still go up. Okay? It will go up. If you want, you can still hold on to it. But I already set my profit target when I entered. See, this is what Apex wants, right? When you are entering into the trade, you should know what is your entry, right? What is your target, and what is your stop loss if the trade goes against you. That is your plan, right? You have to execute your plan. If everything goes fine, yes, this is my target. It already hit my target at 78, right? And if I bought at 77.95, so I got some $50, so that's fine, right? If I am multiplying with the 20 accounts, then it is $1,000 for me. And my stop loss, if the trade goes against me for some reason, you never know, some bad news comes or something happens, some wars happen. So if it suddenly reverses back, I know where is my stop loss. My stop loss is my previous support, which is 77.73. Yeah, if you're taking multiple contracts, you can book profits on partial and move your stop loss to entry or break even, and it will slowly it will go and reach 78.14, but it takes time. As soon as this 15 minutes also turn to 50, it will go faster. I mean, I think we already achieved our targets for today. Hope all of you book the profits on everything on your multiple contracts accounts. And if you met your daily target, don't overtrade. Okay, stop trading and be happy with what you got today. Don't give it back. Okay?
Yeah, good job, Shiva.
Yeah.
So basically, right, we made profits with nearly every trade, with crude oil, with gold, silver, platinum. Right, just think prop firm trading as a test match, right? Don't try to hit sixers like in a T20. All we need is the singles, right? We made some $100 here, some 70, $80 there, right? All those when you multiply with 20 accounts, that will become huge. So that's what, right? Don't look for a $500 profit in one trade. Rather than look for 100 in 4 5 trades with proper entry criteria, then easily you will make it. So as Shiva explained, just look for that when you get that exit entry criteria set up. Then yeah, just put a target of $100. That is good enough because we will have plenty of opportunities every day. So we don't need to make all $100 or $1,000 in one trade. Uh, uh,
Yeah, if you are still holding CL, it is still making good move. It is 78.05 now. So you can book another second contract profit. It may go to 78.14, which is EMA 200 around in another 5-10 minutes. So if you take in multiple contracts, book your second profit, take profit too. and leave your runner at the break even or at the profits. So CL, I will show the chart. We can see here, right? See it almost very close to touching that 200 line. So you can also see in the normal candle, right? It's very close. If you want to know whether it touches this line or not, uh, because in Heikinashi it won't clearly show, because Heikinashi candles are average candles, right? You don't know whether it touches the line or not. So just quickly change your candle type. You can see candles. Click on candles and then check whether this candle body or big touches this line. If it touches, then try to book profits. Or even before it touches the line, you place your target profit target as 78.14 or 10, somewhere closer to this price. So that as you can see, I entered here 77.95. My profits at 78. It went up to 78.06 and it will go up to 78.14 in few minutes. Now you can see 15 minutes is also bullish, right? You can see 15 minutes is 53, 5 minutes 75, 1 minute is 78. So it will, in few minutes it will go there. Yeah, so today our the only trade we missed was gold. But like I mentioned, when you are taking silver long or gold long, do the other thing. Okay, if you're taking silver long, it's indirectly you can take GC long as well, even though if you don't say it. And same thing, if you're taking GC long, you take silver long as well. 90% of the time they will move in the same direction. There are a few cases where it may not happen, but 90% of the time it will move in the same direction. So we booked silver long in profit. We booked copper long in profit. Then platinum. Did we take platinum?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. So we took profit on platinum, and then we took profits on what was the other one? Copper, I guess. Yeah,
Right.
silver. Yeah, all the metals we profits and
Yeah.
as well as crude
We
oil.
just missed the gold. Yeah, we booked on copper, silver, platinum, and also we booked on crude oil. Generally, crude oil and heating oil, CL and HO are one pair. So if CL is moving up, sometimes CL will first move and then heating oil will follow that. In the same way, gold, silver, platinum, copper, they are like one pair. So, for example, if you see that silver is moving or gold is moving first, then all the other three will follow. In the same way, you have ultra bonds, UB, ZB, ZN. They are like one pair. One of them will move first, and the other two will follow. So, if you are booking profits with one, you can also look at the others, and others also will move in the same direction. Same thing with ES and NQ. If NQ moves first, ES will follow, or ES moves first, and NQ will follow that. Right? In the same way, we have all these soybean futures. They all move together like that. Right? There are a lot of tips and techniques. By practice, you can yeah, understand everything, and you can make much more consistent gains.
This heating oil is also looking good. So like Kishore has mentioned, when you are taking crude oil, just remember that. Just remember to look at the heating oil ticker as well. Okay, this is another good tips. And this was also, if you see, it sold off a little bit, right? On the left, on the history. Always look at the history, what happened before you start taking your trade. Especially if you want to take long, check whether you had a huge sell off on the left. If there's a huge sell off on the left, then the buy will have a good opportunity, especially if you're getting the buy at the bottom of the channel. Plus, you got a green dot, green background, reversal green candles, yellow, red to yellow, then yellow to green.
And
Good
also
support
that
area.
double bottom is very key, right?
Yeah,
First
yes.
time it came and touched the support, they tried to go up. Sellers brought it down, but again buyers took the control and they took it to the top. So two times bottom, but they were not able to break the support. It started moving up. That means now, yeah, sellers, yeah, left it. They thought like, okay, buyer, let us give it to buyers. So now buyers took the control and moving it. So the double bottom is a key indication. Double top for the sell off, double bottom for the buying long opportunities.
Yeah, so CL, you can see that it's very close to touching this line. Okay. So if you're still holding the trade, try to place your profit somewhere around it. Now reach 78.09. So in a few minutes, it may reach 78.14. Then it will start to drop again because you can see it already exited our channel, right? In a
Right,
few
I'll
moments.
add that EMA 200 and also that RSI table to the top trend. Maybe on this weekend, I'll give you the updated version with this RSI table. So you don't need to have ultimatum indicator. And also I'll add that EMA 200. So you don't need to add multiple indicators because if you add too many indicators also, your system will become slow.
Yeah.
So yeah, top trend itself will have everything. Right, as Shiva said that EMA 200 acts as a strong support or strong resistance. Whenever it goes from the bottom, generally that will act as resistance. Whenever price is coming from the top and touching that, that will act as a support.
Yeah, here you can see, right? Once it drops below, first time when it comes and touches, it will sell off, right? First touch is always good entry, good entry for short, right? And then even if it here, if you see here this time, it was trying to reclaim, but if it fails, then if you got a sell signal, if your background is red, you have a red dot here. So this was a very good opportunity, right? You see, look at the sell off here, huge sell off here, right? It almost moved $1, which is $1,000 per one contract, right? And then again, look at the third attempt, it reclaimed. So this was also good entry, right? Even if you missed taking long here, once it reclaims 200, you can even enter long here, and with your stop loss somewhere here. So this was also a very good entry. You got a green dot here. It claimed to 200 also, right? And then it again they dropped it to 200. They again put it. They again reclaimed back. So this was another long opportunity, good long opportunity. You got a buy signal, green background, green cloud, green candles, everything. This was a good long. Then again sellers they dropped below, right? And then after that it is now coming and touching the 200 again. So this is a good long opportunity. So now we can see it almost came untouched. It will sell off again. Or this time this may try to break and then try to hold. If it holds, then it may go all the way up to here. But it may not happen today. It will be volume will be less, so it will happen slowly. But eventually it will go here, 78.89,
Yeah,
which is
that is a
almost
strong.
yeah strong
Yeah.
resistance. Okay, but if it goes here, you will get almost $1,000 per one contract.
It and also try to maintain consistent gains every day because Apex also checks for that 30% rule. On the PA, right? On EA, it is okay. But on PA, it is better always you maintain that 300 to $400 every day consistently. So easily every payout you can take $2,000 to $3,000 on each account. If you have 20 accounts, you are taking 20 into 2,000, $40,000 every 15 days. Right. During this session in US market, there will be sudden ups and downs, but this session is best for right prop firm trading. Just if we wait for the entry criteria, easy to make $100, $150 easily every day with every trade. Do you want to see a silver, Shiva?
Yeah, good. Silver. Now, what I was trying to say is, if you follow the strategy, right, and wait for the right setup at the right time, I would say 99% of your trade will be successful, provided you wait for the right signal, right setup, follow the rules, right? Follow your entry criteria, make sure all condition matches. Even if one condition didn't match, don't enter, right? If every condition matches and you enter, even you can go for 2 to 3 contracts, okay, and make sure you book profits at regular intervals. Take profit one somewhere on the 20% or 30%. Take profit two at another 30% and take profit three at another 40%. So that at least you let your runner trade goes all the way to the top, but you also take money as you earn for every contract. Okay. Yeah, if you do this approach, and even in this session where there is not much manipulation. You don't need to even trade in the US market hours. Okay, if you have a full-time job, you can focus on your full-time job, right? And you can do this as a part-time job in your evening time with the no volatility, with the smooth candles movement, right? No market makers in the middle trying to twist and turns, right? Nothing will happen here in this time.
Jiva, can you open silver ones?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll directly type there in the CL.
In June or July contract? Sure.
You can in July.
As you can see, silver dropped off, right? That's what I said. It might have touched that 200. Came very close, but it sold off again. Yeah.
It went to the top of the channel, touched that border, and then started dropping.
That's why I said, okay, silver has a quick tendency of reversing. Okay, as you can see here, right? So make sure you always trail your profits. Don't give it back. So you can quickly see silver 5 minutes turn to red, right? RSI table turn to red. Yeah, almost 10 minutes it sold off again. Same thing with platinum. Yeah. Yeah, so platinum, as we can see here, it claimed EMA 200, right? So this was a multiple confluence. So this is your buy, this is your green dot. So EMA 200, its price crossed above. So it attempted to cross one time, it failed. Second time, they succeeded. So background was green, cloud was green, cloud price moved above EMA 200. You have a support here. So you can enter even multiple contracts, but at the same time, don't take too much. Go with maximum 2 to 3 and try to book profits at regular intervals on every contract.
Jiva, can you check gold? Maybe gold also might drop. Silver is dropping.
Okay.
GC.
Yeah, gold was
Hmm.
also dropping.
I think gold
Gold,
has some more potential, I think.
yeah, as you can see, gold also it touched this 200 line and touched this order block and it dropped. Gold is now bearish. So you can see everything is bearish. So silver completely reversed. Okay, it just did a U-turn. Same thing with the gold.
I think copper also might be same thing.
Yeah, I can see right. Copper touched 200 line. It sold off. So make sure, even though sometimes your order block may be sitting somewhere on the top. Okay, but if when it touches 200 from the bottom, it will sell. It will sell. Okay, make sure you also book your profits if you're taking long. As you can see here, right? The wick came first time touched. Even if you don't book profits on the first time, don't worry, it will give you another chance. Minimum, it will try to attempt to break this line 2 to 3 times. Okay, but don't wait for the fourth time. It will reverse back. So you will miss to book your profit. So make sure whenever it touches this line from the bottom, you book your profits. And look at silver. What happened? It completely reversed. Did a nosedive after touching this line, as you can see here, right? What happened? This was a buy rate. It came all the way to the same place where we entered. I think we entered somewhere here, but people who entered here, if they don't book the profits in the 200 line, they would have sitting at drawdown here. And look at RSI table, everything turned to red. And in addition to that, it also touched this order block, right? We have a 9%, 98 sell order block. It touched that price along with the 200 line. Then it sold off heavily. I think platinum also touched this box. We book profit here, but if you are holding, yeah, this is a good time to book profits on platinum as well. And then it may drop for a few points to the middle of the channel or somewhere here in the middle. Since 5 and 15 minutes are bullish for platinum, it may start to move up again. But in order to do that, it has to break this resistance block. Then it will start to move up again, and it will eventually reach somewhere here. Because 5 and 15, 30 minutes are bullish, it will make some new low here, which may be a higher low than this low. It may happen something like this. I can even draw some picture for you guys to understand and see this. What is the show? I think it's a path. You need to get the path one. Yeah, this one. So what you might happen is it may sell here. It may drop somewhere middle 50% of this area, make a bottom. Then it will try to go and touch this block again. Then it may sell off. Then it will try to break. Okay, then it may go to the top. But it takes time. But for pop-up trading, so you book profits as you get 100 to $150. So always keep a watch on these alerts log. So this is where you get all your alerts, right? Yeah.
And now, yeah, CL touched 200 EM.
Well,
CL can drop now, but I think, yeah. One of the members want to know how to, right, if you have 50K accounts to 50K accounts, how to use Replicanto. Pradeep, can you share your screen? I'll explain, right, initially. Uh, you don't know which Pradeep it is.
sorry, actually, I'm using mobile. I don't think I can.
Okay. Yeah, whenever you are on the system, let me know so I can help you to configure all those things.
Yeah, Kishore, sorry, I'm using my mobile. I cannot share my screen. But this is the challenge I was facing because my 50K account is moving slowly, but 250K account is not at all moving. So I want to increase the quantity maybe multiple times,
Right, yeah.
maybe
You
two.
you have a setting there. You can change, right? By default, what to use is exact quantity. So that
Yeah,
whatever your
right.
leader account has, but you can set as a ratio, right? You can put the
Okay.
in the drop down. You can
Yeah, I
use
selected ratio, but I don't know where to update quantity for the respective 250K account.
uh,
Because everything is read only on my screen. Yeah, let me join 1 minute as web thing.
yeah.
Sorry, you can continue. Just give me 2 minutes.
Yes, Sagar, do you have any questions? Pratap, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi Kishore.
Yes, Sagar, go ahead.
Uh, so I have seen like price is going above that line means channel. So in that scenario, we can take further long or not like.
No, it is always right. That is where it reversals can happen. So yeah, don't right. Always
there are
better
no
to,
that blocks are not there. Usually we see red blocks on top, right? So that is
but
something
still, why you want to take a risk, right? It is like it moved 80% up.
correct.
At any point of time, it can reverse from there, even though you don't have any order blocks. That is where generally you have to sell, take the profits. That is not where you have to book, buy it.
Okay, means
So,
we should cut our position from there. You mean to say?
right, yeah. So as I told you, right, don't think like a 1 20 20 match and try to hit sixers. Prop firm trading is all about making that singles. Just think like a test match. You make that 1 1 run and build it up. If we try to hit sixers, we'll get caught. We'll be blowing our E and TA accounts. You just try to make that 100 300 400, done for the day. And again, repeat the same thing.
Right
Mhm.
now in CL, how we took the trade at 77.79 was the buy signal. Okay. But on top, I was not able to see that green dot. But green clouds, green background, and 3, 5, 15 all were green. So is it
Mm,
necessary every time that green dot should be there?
the green dot is already there, right? Long back already green dot appeared.
Right now, maybe it disappeared. You mean to say?
No, no. Green dot came first. That algo already told that price will go up. These other indicators gave confirmation little later. So as long as when you are taking a buy, if that algo is also in a buy, this algo is in a buy, that means all the indicators are giving us the same signal. That price will go up.
Okay, because right now I was not seeing you thought to ask on that. But
Can
another
you
thing
share
on
your
silver,
are you,
in silver,
can you
we
share your screen?
yeah, I can share this. Uh, Let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yes, we can see. So if
Yes.
you see that, right, around 6:30 itself, you got the green dot. So
Just
that gave the buy signal much early.
oh, we can consider that. You mean to say then?
Yeah, yeah. It is in a buy only, right? It told that it will price will go up. But we waited for confluence from all the other indicator, right? We wanted
We
background to
waited
be
for
clear.
this green cloud, background green, and this factors.
Right. When this gave a buy, background was green. That is already in a green. So yeah, everything need not come at the same time. One algo might give already early, but we don't just go with one algo. We are looking for confluence from multiple indicators.
So I was not considering this backdated dots previously, but
No,
this was actually considered.
as long as it is in a buy, right? If it says green means it is telling that price will go up. That already gave it, and we don't have a red yet. Still, it is telling. Still, it can go further more.
Still, it is going upward. But you mean to say we should not
Yeah,
hold
don't
here?
enter any new positions now, right? Because
Here
yeah,
is the profit booking, right? Here is
right. That
correct.
is where yeah, better you close your positions.
Okay, okay.
Right? You may miss some offer. You may feel like, oh, I would have made another $100, but that is a risk, right? That is where you have to close the positions, or that is where generally we have to short our positions if we get a sell signal. So we should not enter long there.
So buyers are sitting over here. Is that mean this block,
Right? Yeah,
this block, this block? So
yeah.
usually we see
They have
percentage. So right now we are not able. Oh, no, there are. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
right. They placed all their limit order, right? They don't buy like us. They don't buy market orders. They will say that only when price comes to this price, I want to buy it. And
So
when
they
they
are
put
all
some
huge buyers. Like
right, when they put 500 contracts, all 500 contracts cannot get filled at the same price. Only 100 contracts will get filled. Then it will go up. Then again, whenever price comes to that point, again it will go up. So
okay.
that's why it is called as an order block.
What do you think about the silver long position holding for longer time? Will silver go upside?
Silver,
Not take
you have to
profit.
always use 1 hour time. Go and use 1 hour time frame and put silver.
So will it go further downside? So you are more experienced. That's why I'm asking you.
Right, right. That's what I'm trying to tell you, right? So that you will remember it. Right. If I show my chart, you may not remember, but if you are showing your chart and see it, then you will remember. So open the silver chart and go to 1 hour time frame.
Yeah. So 1 hour, right? You will see it is bearish. You can clearly see. Yeah, 1 hour you see it's bearish, right? What do you see? What's the cloud shows?
Yeah, all red, everything.
Yeah. So, but also you see it sold off heavily, right? Look at the history. As I always say, it was in a downtrend for how long, right? There is a good chance it may reverse, but we don't want to take any assumptions. Again, look for the same confluence, right? Wait for the proper support. Then green background, green candles, green dot. So you got a green dot MACD, but that's not a good evidence. It may start to move up, but you never know, right? It may do another double bottom. So if you take it without any additional indicators, additional confluence, then you may have to hold your trade on some drawdown, which if you want to avoid, take multiple confluence, right? So MACD is satisfied, but wait for the green candle, wait for the first of all reversal candle, right? Reversal candle is yellow candle.
Yellow, this one.
Yeah, yellow candle. Yeah, then you have to have a green candle. Then your cloud has to turn to green. Then you should have a buy signal. If it happens at a proper support with the proper order block, then your chances of success is very high. Also, currently you can see if you want to take in your personal account, 30, 60 minutes are bearish. So that also turned green. So you need to wait so many indicators to be in your favor to go long.
So with our indicators, we should always follow for the 5 minutes or longer time frame. What is the best?
Yeah, for Apex. Yeah, for Apex. If you're taking for prop firms, not just for Apex, for any prop firms, look for 5 and 15 minutes because prop firms, you have to close your trades on the same day, right? You should not
For
hold your
personal
trades.
account, can we keep indicators on hourly chart? What is your suggestion on that?
Yeah. Personal account, you can hold your trade so long until the contract expires, or even you can roll over the
No,
contract.
I'm talking about the indicator. So suppose I can change the time frame for 1 hour and I can follow the indicators. I'm asking like that.
Hey,
Yeah.
indicators are same. Okay, if any time frame, indicators are not going to give you different results. Okay,
Okay.
indicators are used for any tickers, any time frame. The logic and the results will be the same. Doesn't mean that it will work only for 5 minutes and 15 minutes. It will not for other time frame. No, it will work for all time frames. So whether you are trading for prop firm accounts or your personal accounts,
So
that's the
this
matter.
was good actually for personal account. See, indicator given buy over here.
Yeah, correct.
Something 365. It went all the way $1,000.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Then you
So
could have started there, right? You could have started there, but that was also not a good shot I would take because I would wait for the red background for
so for
more
personal
confirmation.
account, I can follow 1 hour time frame and I can take the trade, right?
Yes,
Right.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
But
will be
you
great.
can do with stocks, you can do with futures, you can do with
No,
currencies.
I
You
was
use
concerned only like you mentioned, right? 5 minutes. So I was sticking to 5 minutes only,
no,
even
no.
for the
5 minutes
personal
is only
account.
for prop firm, or you want to, right? You don't want to suddenly there might be a bad news or something, right? You take some NQ and suddenly there is some war news. Then
Yeah.
suddenly there can be a big drop overnight, right? That's what if you want to avoid such type of things, you do day trading. You don't because when you are taking a swing trade, you may hold for example, if you take that 1 hour, you may
Mhm.
hold it for 1 day or 2 days.
Yeah, it was from 11 June. Yeah. 11 till it was 12. Yeah, it was whole complete 24 hours. Yeah,
Right.
correct.
So that overnight, if something happens, right, again, they're very rare
Uh,
chances, but you
yeah,
have
yeah.
to consider all the situation scenarios. So based on right what type of trader you are. If you are a day trader, 5 minutes is best. If you're a swing trader, 1 hour. If you're a long-term trader, you can also go for a daily or weekly. Just to check in weekly. Whenever weekly gives a buy, you buy something
Mm-hmm.
and then hold for next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You may make 50, $60,000 for one contract.
Oh, oh my God.
Right? Yeah, just change that to weekly and see when you got a buy in.
So it got somewhere March. March
Right,
is when we got the buy signal.
right, at around
It was
24.
23:10.
Right. So it
Yeah,
is nearly
Nearly
You got
12 to
all the
13
perfect confluence there, right? You have green background. You
almost
have
12,
a
12
green,
$13,000.
right? Just with one contract.
One contract, yeah, exactly.
If you
If there
get
is a
two,
green
three,
dot, it is also there. Trend change, green clouds, green background, everything is matching.
right?
Yeah.
But yeah, you need to have patience to hold it, right?
No,
Because every day,
yeah.
if you see that, sometimes even if you see $200, $300 drop, you will be feeling panic and you will want to sell it off. Right? Many people won't have that patience to hold them. But if you're a long-term investor, you should not worry about small drawdowns.
So here now it is coming trend change. So this is the first signal we are getting. Now this should turn green and here we should get green dot, right? On silver.
Right. Yes.
Yeah, it's just trying to reverse from the drop we had, but we need to wait for our other confluence as well. Otherwise, it may drop. It may again go a little bit up and it will start to drop again.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hey, Kishore, I think Shiva, right?
Yeah.
Can you show me that EMA setting which you have, done? I think Kishore is going to add it, but till then, I'd like to see if I can.
It's very simple. Just a exponential moving average is called EMA. EMA. Okay. Then you can go to the settings and change the length to 200. That's it.
Okay, yeah, I'll
Style,
do that.
you can make this color as this cyan color. Make
Okay,
the
that's
lines
okay.
a
Yeah,
little bit
I
thickness.
got the input. Yeah, that's fine. And the other thing, Shivasi, you used 3 minute and 5 minute confluence someplace earlier. So how do
Yeah.
you write three
I
minutes,
use,
right?
yeah, it's not 3 minutes, it's 5 and 15 minutes. 5 minutes and 15 minutes.
Okay. 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 That's all. Thank you.
Check copper once.
Hello.
Yeah.
Kishorji.
Yeah.
నేను
Sure.
ట్యాక్స్ కనెక్ట్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేయండి ఒకసారి.
Yeah. Yeah. We are not taking any more trades. If you want, you can take. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. You are right. It is the same concept, right? Check for that multiple confluences. If your background is green, cloud is green, at the top is green, you can go long, right? We want everyone to be independent so that you don't need to depend on any of us, or you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
all the weapons tools in your hand,
correct.
right? We are doing this session so you understand how to use them, use it in the right way, so that you can use 24 bar 20, right? If you want to trade 24 hours, you can wait for that confluence, and whenever you get it, you use for India stocks, you use for futures, you use for currencies, whatever you want. You have so many ways to make money. It will, right? Indicators will work with and everything.
So
It is
those
up to
prop
you.
firms have a limitation of 3 months, right? We have to be 3 months
No, no,
max
there is
to.
no such limitation.
So there is some payout limit, right? 2,000 or 2,500, right? Only
Yeah,
that.
first 3 months. Yeah,
So
Do you see
irrespective
my
of you are
screen,
making
Kishore?
any money, that will be the maximum payout for 3 months, correct?
every company has different rules. But yeah, some companies have that 2000, 2000. But again, if you're on 20 accounts, if you are making 2K payout also, that is 40K. Right? Don't think
Could
about
be
only one
successful
account.
on
If you can make
40
money in
days.
one account, you can make the same money in 20 accounts
Yeah, that's
with
true.
one company. Now you add one more company, now you will make with 25 accounts or 30 accounts.
Usually what
Same
happens,
effort.
only the evening time is available, not the throughout the day we have time, right?
No, evening itself, right? Every day, this time we are making $300-$400 in one account. So if you are making in 20 accounts, that is $6,000. Is that good enough? We are working for $50, $60 per hour in our IT jobs.
That's true. That's true.
When you can make that 1 hour $6,000, Why don't you, yeah, right? Try to, instead of watching some Netflix or TV or something, chit chatting, spend time, learn, and then, yeah, you can, right? Even if we work another 10, 20 years, our job salary will not become double, right? It can get reduced, but it will not get double. Here you have a opportunity where you can make it double, triple, because not just one company, you have 20 companies like this. You have replicanter to connect all of them.
Oh.
Right. Only thing is, yeah,
That
first
tool
step.
is connected to all the, not only with the Apex, you can connect with all the firms, you mean to say.
That is right. Yeah. Not all the firms, but most of the firms.
Most of the firms.
Right.
So after 3 months, you, irrespective of any money you are making, you are eligible for payout. That's correct? Understand?
That is, there are some companies which will pay from day one itself. Whatever you make on the PA account on first day itself, at the end of the day, you can take the withdrawal.
Yeah,
But
if you
here
guys
saying
want to
Apex is
take
the
copper long, take it. It will go to hit TMA 200. All confluence matches. You can go long on copper again. But people already, if you already met the target for the day, don't do a trade. If somebody missed, you can take copper long again, once again. But take it quickly and then book profits quickly at the EMA 200 or near to where the next order block is. Or if you get $100, $200 or $150, book it. It's moving fast. Yeah.
Ji, can I share my screen?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to connect to Blue Nox, but I'm getting right now I am connected to Rhythmic. Can I disconnect this one? Apex Rhythmic.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
And
Yeah, either
disconnect.
you connect to only one Rhythmic account, either Rhythmic Apex or Rhythmic.
That is Apex Rhythmic.
Yeah, you can, if you disconnect Apex Rhythmic, then Blue Nox Rhythmic will work.
How we can do that one?
Yeah, same thing. Do configure. However, the same way you configure the Apex Ninja Trader, same way you do.
Ninja Trader.
No, not that, not that. Rhythmic for Ninja Trader. That that remove that one, the Ninja Trader one. Cancel. Remove it. Yeah, add Rhythmic for Ninja Trader. So if you are long on copper book profits, it's almost $135 per account. So copper second entry long book profits. Yeah, so there you need to copy, not Apex one, you need to copy the Bullnox. Yeah, give the name as Bullnox. Yeah, something like that. Bullnox Rhythmic. And yeah, copy paste the user ID and password.
What I need to select for the system?
Here, Rhythmic paper trading. Rhythmic paper trading. Chicago, yeah, Chicago, correct. Yeah. Hit apply and okay. This is fine. Just give okay, okay. Now go to configure. 100 acceptance process cannot. And disconnect Apex. Apex. Okay, Tedawait is fine. Yeah, that is fine. That you can keep it. Now select. Yeah, not Rhythmic. Please check your. Okay, maybe you might have entered your user ID password wrongly. Check your user ID and password.
Is my user ID password?
Maybe when you copy pasted, you might have missed something. Check once again. Yeah, copper time to book profits if you're still holding.
Options.
Yeah, if anybody want to use this one, copy trading, you need to have for Rhythmic accounts.
This is correct password only. Nothing is changed.
Okay.
Okay.
Last time you got some one error message. I think check your account connection parameters of internet connection. Can you try disconnecting TradeAway? I mean, can you try to restart Ninja and check?
Yeah, completely restart Ninja, and you should not go to configure and disable the Apex Rhythmic. Go to Apex Rhythmic. Okay, you don't have by default it is not starting, right? Okay, yeah, that is fine.
Just
You
try to
can.
restart.
No, NKD is not looking good. It is still weak. Yeah, through trading view you cannot do copy trading. If you have multiple TradeAway accounts, you should have replicant definitely if you want to copy to multiple accounts. Right, and also we have some awesome members, right? We are building more community members so that everyone will watch for one signal, right? And then we'll review if that is good one, then we'll share with everyone. So yeah, slowly they are learning, right? Basically we are training some 20-25 members, so they will become our trainers in future, right? Once we grow to India and all other countries, they will become our team members. They will get paid additionally. Like that, we are trying to build more and more members. So because this is a global opportunity, right? You can be in India, you can be US, you can be in a vacation. You spend for 30 minutes, 1 hour, you make that $400-$500 and done for the day. Right? We want to take it across the globe. Yes, you need both replicant and rhythmic for copy trading. NQ will be generally slow, and also we already made nearly $400-$500. So better, right? If we try to do more and more trades, today morning also same thing happened. We made some nice profits yesterday and today morning, and then we took some trades in the last minute with gold and silver. Silver we closed with break even. Gold we took some loss. That's what happens. So better we once you make $400-$500, stop for the day, and again every day we'll have opportunities. Because after a certain time either we become overconfident or we may tend to miss some right entry criteria and we'll be taking a wrong trade. That's what happens most of the time. You make nice gains and one bad trade will take back all the gains. So better you right $400-$500 one week you'll be done with your EA to PA. And then even in PA also you don't want to make $2,000-$3,000 one day, $300 on another day. Better you 400-500 is easy every day. So just be consistent. Make that $400-$500 in each account every day. That's it.
Yeah, because if you
Still
do
I'm
the
getting the same error.
okay, well, I think it is somewhere you are not trying to copy your user ID password because
User
I
ID
was
password is correct only.
Can you go to your Ninja Trader website and copy the license provided by Bullnox?
Oh, I need to go. I have the Lunax.
maybe yeah. See, the thing is, this is Apex. That's what happened to me also last time. But some people they're able to connect Lunox accounts within it. This is the license you are using from Apex, correct?
Correct.
So the existing license you had, that is license key was given by Apex. That happened to me as well. I was trying to connect Lunox with the Apex given license key for the Ninja Trader. I was getting error, but recently somebody said they were able to connect. Maybe they might have reinforced this problem again. Maybe. So if you have a new machine, another machine, then you can install Ninja Trader, but use the Bullnox given license key.
Oh,
It's
okay.
machine, it may work.
Oh, okay. I don't want to disturb the Apex rhythmic in my
Yeah,
system.
Apex, leave it with Apex. Yeah, do Apex and Apex trade weight. With Apex, the good thing is it will even work for the other company trade weight accounts. You can connect the Top Step, Blue Sky, UPROC.
I can remove this one now. I don't
You
want to connect from my system.
can remove it. Yeah.
Yeah, you can, right? Even if we have Bullnox Rhythmic, we can connect to Apex Tradeaway and all the other company Tradeaway accounts. Only problem is you cannot connect to another Rhythmic account. But all the
Maybe
Tradeaway account,
I need to import the Blue Knox license key, I think.
right, on the website, and then if you relaunch your Ninja Trader, then yeah, you should be able to connect to Bullnox Rhythmic and also Apex Tradeaway.
That's fine. Thank you.
Yeah, Mahesh, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. Can you help me with the Prism settings?
Yeah, can you share your screen?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
So did you already import everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here what you need to do is in the morning time I'll say that, right? Okay, these stickers are good for long only, these stickers are good for short only.
Yeah.
So if it is very bullish, then you have to use long only option, right? In the trade direction, you have to go and select long only. If I say some tickers are very bearish, you have to go and select short only. Right? Every day morning around 8:30, I'll say that okay, these stickers are good for long, these stickers are good for short. Then what you do is you have to disable that session. Oh, right, so that the trades will happen throughout the day. Then the target profit also you can disable. And that stop loss, what you can do is you calculate like how much it will be for around $300 to $400 because based on each ticker it can be different. For example, gold, it is like 40 ticks or 30 ticks you can put as stop loss. For crude oil, you can put 30 ticks as stop loss. Right? Because 30 ticks is like 300 or 40 ticks is like $400. Generally, when you use the strategy, it won't touch the stop loss, but just for any sudden bad news or something, we want to protect the accounts. That's it. And then whatever is your leader account, you can select that leader account there in the sim 101. You will select your leader account, and when the trade happens here, that same trade will get copied into all the child. That enable checkbox, you have enabled checkbox. Yeah, you have to enable that. That's it. And you have to click on apply, and then the trades will happen automatically. Right? You don't need to do anything. Only thing you need to identify which instruments are bullish, which are bearish, and then you just select them. So automatically it will, yeah, you can save that as a template. So every time, yeah, save. Yeah, same thing. You can create a template for every ticker.
But how about position? It will exit automatically, or do we need to exit the profits?
No, it will automatically exit. It will do both buy and sell. If you put long only, it will take only buy orders. Whenever there is a sell, it will just close the buy order. It won't take another short position. Because when the ticker is very bullish, right, the pullbacks will be only for small time. That's what we don't want to take the short side orders. When it is going up, right, it will go 10 steps up or 10 candles, it will be green. 3-4 candles, it will be red. Again 10 candles, it will be green. So you want to avoid taking those short trades.
So it depends on the chart how I selected here. It is not. So the chart I used a 5-minute Hikanashi. So is it fine?
Yeah, right. Yeah, you have to use 5 minutes Saikanashi. But again, right, night time it is not good.
Okay.
Best timing is 9 to 11 central. 9 to 11, 9 to 11:30 Central is the best time to enable the algos.
Okay. Okay.
That every day morning I will send you tickers. Now these are the bullish, these are the bearish. Enable Prism, long only
Okay.
on these tickers. Just you have to come here and enable those tickers.
Okay.
So you don't need to manually watch it. Algorithm will automatically take the trades.
Okay. So same thing with Spectrum, right? Like the settings.
Yeah, Spectrum also same thing. Only thing is Spectrum will take profits on every candle.
Okay.
Right? Prism will take the full one trade as a, right, one profit it will give. Spectrum will, for every candle, it will keep giving $50, $50, $50 until it is in the trend, it will keep giving that.
Okay.
But yeah, settings are same.
Settings are same. Okay. So this time in force GTC, this is
Yeah,
will not
everything
change.
everything else is default.
Default. Okay.
For example, if you are taking micros, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Let us say you are taking some micros and you want to take more quantity. That set order quantity you have to change at the bottom, last but
Okay.
one.
This one.
No.
Set order quantity. Okay.
Right, yeah. Put it as default quantity
Okay.
and you have to change it to 3 or 4, right? For example, you want to take MNQs.
Okay.
Right, you will put 3. So it will, whenever you are taking it on a MNQ, it will take 3 quantity, 3 micros or 4 micros.
Okay.
Or if you have a 250K account, you want to take 2 contracts. Right? By default, Algo will always take 1 contract.
One
But
contract.
if you want to change it, you have to come here and change it to change the quantity.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Kishore. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, hi Santosh.
Thank you. So, two quick questions. First one is when you're keeping the algo on with stop losses, like you mentioned, and if we manually close it, do the stop losses, like the limit order that we have placed to take profit and enable, do they stay on or something like that? If you're using,
Right, that order will stay on. In case if you are closing manually,
okay,
you have to make sure you have to close those pending orders.
those pending ones, because I think I noticed that sometimes they didn't, and then there would be that stuff, because I keep my short, not like 30, 40 points, right? Maybe 20 to 10, 10, 15. And then
Right,
I
right.
manually close them, and I think those orders are still staying in there. So that's why.
Right, yeah. Because yeah, Algo created a by a right target order, stop loss order. And
Okay.
because we are manually going and doing it, it won't know that. So it will, yeah, if price goes to that stop loss, again, it may open a short. So we have to make sure if we are closing manually, either it is in trading view or even in Ninja Trader, we have to always look, are there any pending orders? Sometimes even when we do with the trading view also, we may put some buy orders, but it may not get filled. We will forget about them. And later they will come, right? Let me share the screen and show it.
Yeah, 'cause I think I made a couple of mistakes here, and some trades showed up later on that I wasn't even expecting. Yeah.
Right. So for example, if you sometimes, right, when you may click somewhere here, and it may get filled, but there might be some pending orders. You will see them here. For example, 38.
What does that arrow do? Like the cross the board, what does that do? Crossing that three between 3 and 3?
This one.
Yeah.
This one will take you where the price is now currently. You don't need to scroll this. It will directly take you where you have buy orders and sell orders.
Okay.
But if you have any order sitting,
How do I
right?
know that? Like, for example, I close something manually.
Yeah, you will have, right, one you can see here. One you have one active order, or you can see one active order if there are any buy orders. You have to, before closing your system, make sure you do cancel all.
Okay. Got it. Cancel
Then
out.
it
If it is
will,
then if suppose there were some orders even in our the mirror accounts, not the leader accounts, because we usually use the one leader, right?
right.
How do we close it on all those mirror accounts too?
That you can go to we go to your Ninja Trader where it will list all the open positions, right? If you go to positions tab in the Ninja Trader,
Position the accounts, you mean accounts or orders?
positions, orders, yeah.
Okay, in order. Oh, okay.
You will have some pending orders or it will be working orders.
Okay.
You have to make sure you close all of them.
Oh, got it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And that was one question. Yeah. That second thing is sometimes during the morning times, Kishore, like today I follow the YM and it was really going up. It hit the channel and there was a couple of order blocks and it was still, and usually when it hits the channel, we think it's going to reverse and we try not to get into the, this is what you've discussed in the past, right? It can reverse once it hits the outside the channel outside,
Can
but it continue to move
But again,
forward.
I told right, if there are more number of buyers, there might be some sell orders here, but you have more number of buyers who want to buy Tesla or Nvidia, right?
Okay.
There are more, right? For example, you have 1,000 orders here, sell orders, but there are 2,000 buyers, so it will break the resistance and go break it, may go a little bit further, and then it may reverse.
Yeah, got it. But sometimes it goes on for even for like 30, 40 minutes. So especially towards the end of the day, it keeps going too. It doesn't have much of a pullback. And that's possible too, I guess, right? Even if the channel strategy, it may not always reverse, right? That particular section.
Right, that's why we'll wait for the sell signal, right? We won't immediately when it goes out, we are not doing a shorting or anything.
No, I'm talking about continuing to stay in the trade a little longer. If we're getting back in the trade, if we're saying that it is still strong, even after it crosses the channel.
Right. So that's what. So, for example,
Like if you want to just take like just take YM for an example for today. Earlier on.
Same thing happened with even in NQ also today.
Oh yeah, SMP, okay.
Right. Sometimes you will see right. You got some buy orders here, buy orders here. It went all the way to the top, but again, a lot of buyers are interested. They bought right nearly how many members? 70,000 buy orders. So it doesn't mean that. So they tried. There was a pullback, but immediately buyers stepped in. They were interested to buy SMCI. They put some big limit order. So again, it started going up. So that's why whenever a ticker is bullish, generally we say don't buy puts or don't go short, because you never know if there is some good news or something attractive. Buyers might be interested even it went outside the channel. They can continue to keep it up and up. So we'll only look for bearish tickers. Wait for the sell signal on the top of the channel. Bullish tickers, wait for the buy at the bottom of the channel. If we just follow that, then 99% will be making profits.
And then I have one question regarding the trade today for, I believe it was Adobe, where you had expected the earnings call and you had given a bull put. At the same time, you also said if you want to hedge, you can you can sell a call too. So I was just a little bit confused. I know bull put is when we're expecting it to go bullish, we'll get all the premiums, either we sell a put or a bull put side, we keep the spread. But I was wondering why you had suggested also the call side. Because if you're expecting it to go up, would it be a good idea to sell a call too?
Again, as a hedge, right? Earnings, anything can happen, right? For example, you bought some 5 contracts of calls.
Yeah.
Or you sold 5 contracts of puts. Right? You collected some $20 for every contract, right? Or $2,000 for every contract. We sold 460 puts of Adobe. But just as a hedge, suddenly it goes down or something, you can have one contract as a hedge. So, or sometimes what happens, it will go all the way up. Tomorrow morning, it will start dropping. So, first 15-20 minutes, it will keep going up. And then what the market makers will do is they will again try to bring it down. So you make money with
if you sell a call, isn't it risky? Let's say it goes past, like example, at 470, you are recommended to perhaps sell a call. So if it goes to 480 or 490, then the person who sold the 470 call isn't there at risk. It only would be better if we were if it goes if it stays below 470, right? When we're selling a call.
But you collected nearly $20 premium, right?
Okay.
So your break even is 490.
Oh, okay. That way you're saying even if it go up to 490, you're still safe.
Yeah, 490 also. Or even if it goes, right, it may not go tomorrow morning. Maybe end of day tomorrow, because Friday they will try to make money on both the sides. So initially 15-20 minutes they will try to pump it up. Then you take all the profits which we sold the puts. You will
Okay.
take all the profits. Now again they will dump it to 490, 480. Then you take the profits on the call sold.
Okay. Right. Okay.
So
Okay.
just like earlier, right? On Thursday we sold QQQ calls, and we bought QQQ calls. So on that day it was going down, we made profits on the QQQ calls which we sold. Right? Today morning again QQQ went up, we took the profits on the QQQ calls bought.
Okay.
Right?
This
Yeah.
is sort of almost kind of, so both of them are not necessarily always for the same day. Sometimes you might keep one, close one, and then wait for the other one to kind of get into profits, like in this kind of situation, like an earnings call or something, because it might still go up and then it will come back down. So that's the idea.
Right. Yeah. That's
Oh.
what, because especially before earnings, there will be a huge premiums for the implied volatility. Right?
Yeah.
The premiums will be very high. When you sell the call, and for example, if Adobe moved only $10-15 or 20, right? Even if it goes to 480, 485 by end of tomorrow, still you are in profits because you collected nearly $20 premium on a 470 call.
Got it.
And,
What if we did like a spread on both sides, almost like a butterfly, where if it's good, we sell the put as well as sell the call at the money, and then we were to, and if it kind of goes past both sides, we'll still be in profit.
again, it depends, right? Based on the move. If the move is not much, you may also lose the premiums. Because when you're
Yeah.
you're paying too much for the implied volatility and theta decay before the earnings call.
Okay.
So if there is not much movement in the stock, if it just stays at same place, then you are losing all your premium. So again, yeah, that 470, I think, yeah. Actually, I was very bullish, but suddenly, yeah, one of our analysts gave a sell in the stocks group. So, yeah, somehow I gave that hedge opportunity. I should have,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I got a little
Otherwise,
bit confused with the hedge. That's why, because I was thinking if you're hedging, you do it in a different way. That's why I was clarifying.
right, yeah.
If
Yeah,
we,
I was right looking at the option flows, everything. I was very bullish,
and
but
I think it
looking at,
dropped to almost 505 after earnings, right? I mean, it's gone up a lot. So tomorrow the poor,
yeah. So tomorrow that put sold will be completely 100% profit.
yeah.
And if they dump it, then we'll make profits on the call
Call
sold.
after it comes below 470, right?
It need not be 470. Even if it comes to 480, 485 also will make profits, because that implied volatility, right? IV crush,
Oh, okay, got it. Because
that will give you, because you collected $20.
okay.
So even if it stays at 485, your call value will be only $3 or $4.
Okay. Now because now it's post earnings, so the IV trust left. Okay.
Right.
Sounds good, Peter. Thanks.
Yeah. Hey, Sunil, do you have a question? Pratap, do you have any other questions, or you already asked, right? Yeah, we are not looking any more signals, right? Because if we take it again, we may have to stay for another 1 hour to close that. Better, we already made $400-500 today, so let us. And yeah, right? I also upload these videos on the YouTube channel, so you can watch them twice, thrice. Then you know that what are the rules to be followed to enter, and then you can just follow the same rules.
One last question, Kishore, on the channel. So if I change the time frame, so channel is applicable, that channel rule is applicable there also, or in between it.
Yeah. The rules are applicable in any time frame.
So if in between it provides buy signal, should we take it or not? 1 hour time frame in between in channel.
Again, it is the same concept, right? The bottom of the channel is best for the bullish stickers. But if you have all green, 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 you have your 1 hour also green, RSI 1 hour green, 4 hours green, right at the top you have green. Then you follow the GGG or you see a big order block there. At the middle of the
Yeah,
channel, you
because I
see
was
some.
just not back testing, but I was going back through that indicators. So I don't see the channel, but I can see the indicators are very like they are giving exact signal. As soon as they
Yeah,
give
yeah,
the
they
buy,
right. We
just
did nearly 1 year, 1 year, 1 year of hard work.
yeah.
So yeah, they they,
I
they
can't see
will
the
work.
channel, so I was curious. Like I was not able to see the channel, so
Right, yeah, channel will only appear for last 100 candles. But yeah, it will work fine, right? Only thing what we say is for the new traders, start with the channel bottom, channel top strategy. That is the lowest risk strategy, because if you are at the bottom, definitely you have high chances to go up. If you are at the top, even if it goes little bit more, but it has chance to come down. When you are taking in
time
between,
frame
there
looks
is,
very nice actually.
yeah, 1 hour works perfect for swing trading.
Yeah. So if you want, I can just share my screen for a moment.
No, no, no. Yeah, let's go to others. Yeah,
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
there are more members waiting. So, yeah, Sunil, are you there?
Yes, okay, sure. Like, I want to share my desktop quickly.
Yeah, Sunil. Yeah, I gave you a panelist.
Uh, sure, I'm sharing. Yeah. I have the payout option where this is the one, right? Request payout.
No, we cannot see the screen.
Oh,
To get access to Replicanto, either you can directly buy from them, which will cost approximately $200 for the lifetime, or if we have more interested members, right? Every time when we buy 10, they will give it for $100. So you can either Zelle to me to my email address $100. So whenever we have 1 or 2 members now, maybe next 2 3 days we'll have all the 10 members. I can buy all 10 licenses as a bulk. So you'll pay only $100 instead of $200. Yeah, I click on the request payout. So did you already complete all the rules?
request payout. Yeah. I'm not seeing anything
I
here.
think still I think you have to complete that 2 week period, right? They have certain rules. You need to complete all those, and
Oh,
then you will receive. So yeah, try to make minimum 53,000.
yeah, I have.
Did you complete 2 weeks? 2 weeks of trading on the PA account?
Yeah, 2 weeks of trading. No, I think 1 week.
Right. Yeah. One.
Yeah, Kishore, I can answer the question. See that once you go to the request payout, once your account satisfies all the what all the payout criteria, then your account start to appear in a drop down here. Okay, until that happens, that means your eligibility criteria was not satisfied. So make sure you check whether you traded for all the 10 days. That's the main thing. Sometimes it may even take some time to reflect because the job may run little late. So wait for a few more days. If we still don't get your account number listed here in the drop down, send out a ticket. Then they will help us ticket will they will check and confirm whether all the 10 trading days has been confirmed or not.
Oh, okay. I have one more question now. Like I have the rhythmic accounts. I purchased around 26 accounts.
Okay.
20 accounts I have already P accounts.
Okay.
Sunil, you're rocking. You started. You had a lot of questions initially, but you're rocking. You already made $3,000-4,000 in one of the PAs, and yeah, super, very good. Happy for you.
Yeah, thank you, Kishore. All your help only, like Kishore. Just I'm carefully watching your chart and meetings. I'm not missing your meetings.
Yeah, good job. Yeah.
The success actually. Yeah. Now what I can do, like the other 6 PA EA accounts.
You can keep them as, there are two ways you can do. One is keep them as buffer just in case anything happened to your PA account.
Okay.
These will help. This will come handy. The only drawback here is you have to keep paying for the, unless you complete your $3,000 target, you have to keep paying for that subscription fees. So if you are disciplined enough, if you don't overtrade or don't blow your account, in case some people what happen, it, they will, once they start earning every single day, they'll become overconfident. Okay, they will think that they got everything they need to know. Then they'll start overtrading. They'll start adding more contracts for every single trade, and they'll blow their account. Okay, so that's a problem with the trading. Okay, once people start to see money every single day, they will become overconfident. So I hope that will not happen to you, and be disciplined and keep this account forever. Okay, don't lose this. Because there are many people, they go to PA account, they earn, they lose it. Okay, so just in case if you happen to lose one or two accounts, you will, these EA accounts will become handy as a buffer.
Okay.
And you can just write, once they become 53K, you don't need to pay immediately. You have to just sign the contract, and then yeah, whenever needed in future, you can use it.
Oh, okay. That way I can do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Better than evaluation accounts. Okay. You see here.
Wow, you are maintaining everything nice, good.
Yeah. Only the trader with 3 accounts was blocked. Remaining all accounts I have active.
Good. Yeah. Yeah, just do whatever you are right. It is working for you. Just follow the same thing.
Okay.
Now, what you can do is try to go to one more company like Bullnox, or maybe, or yeah, Bullnox, because you have this issue. You can go to some other companies where they have trade-away account. Now, right now, convert them into PA.
Actually, I Bullnox account, Kishore.
Like Bullnox, because you have Apex Rhythmic PAs, so you have to use Apex, right? So Bullnox may not work for you, but there are another 20 companies where they have trade-away accounts.
Okay.
So you can trade Apex Rhythmic and all the trade-away accounts of other companies. So now, instead of making money on 20 accounts, now you can make another 10. There is a company called UProfit. They give you up to unlimited PA accounts.
Okay.
So if you got the hang of it, then you get another 20-30 PA accounts from them. For the same effort, your trade will get copied into 50 accounts now. Even if you make $100 every day, you are making $5,000.
Oh, okay, sure. Sure. Yeah.
So are you using Prism, or I know you mentioned the
Yeah.
strategy, but
First, I'm using the Prism only. Started with Prism. Whenever there is a long is there, I enable that Prism, and I see the profits in Ninja Trade, like
yeah, in
here.
the positions tab, yeah.
Then in the chart, I will go there and close that trades.
Right. Good.
Manually, I'm closing that actually.
Right, yeah. Entry, you are taking help of algo, and exit, you are, whenever you are happy with the profits, you are closing the positions.
Yeah, $100-200 profit, right? And just I'm closing it.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, whatever strategy is working for you, just continue that.
Yeah.
And now, yeah.
Yeah, be disciplined. Okay, go with the same position size. Don't increase just because you're learning every single day, right? Don't increase the contract size. Go the same size every single trade.
Yeah.
Even if winning or losing, same size. Very important. Keep the same profit target, stop loss. You will be very consistent. Okay, I'm sure you will get into multiple winning trades consecutively, successfully. You will do it. You can do this as a full-time job also.
Okay, good. The question is the rhythmic EA accounts, right? Have around here 52,000 or almost that also is there.
Okay.
I can make it as 53,000. Then I can sign the signature. Then I can leave it, right? That's what it is.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
No
So,
need.
sir, for the extra EA accounts we clear more than 20, we don't need to pay them until if you want to use them in the future, correct?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, correct. Yeah, in that way, yeah, make it. If you are copy trading, right? Copy trade your accounts to these extra EA accounts as well. Make it to 3,000.
Okay.
And you can keep them as buffer. I think as Kishore mentioned it, you don't need to pay them. You don't need to pay the activation fee unless you need them in the future.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, try to keep your 20 PA accounts, whatever you have now. Yeah, just try to make consistently.
Okay.
If you are making every day $200 in each one, it is like $4,000-5,000 every day, right? That is our monthly salary for most IT employees.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Sunil. I am very happy
Yeah.
because initially you had a lot of questions, confusion, but yeah, you went ahead of many others, and yeah, doing a great job. Yeah, you are an inspiration to many others.
Yeah. It's all your help only, Kishore.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
So, Sunil, one question. So, Prism you are using on both sides or one side only, based on Kishore recommendation?
The one side only. What I'm doing that I take it 250K account one. I make it as a detail account, that one. Rhythmic account only, the replicanto, and remaining all rhythmic accounts, right? Make it as a child accounts.
Fair enough. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And at the same time, the trading view also, I'm doing the trade, like manually I'm taking the trade, like 1 or 2 trades in the trade away.
Single. Okay.
But that was, I'm not successful that way. Like I was blown up 3 accounts in the trade away account.
Mm.
The Prism only I'm more successful. Like
Better. Yeah.
Prism.
Right. Thank you.
But for the PA accounts, I'm doing the trading on like trading view now. Carefully, like $20, $30 profit, then I'm keep exiting. Like now I
That's
know.
why we would also recommend trading view, right? That's what even yesterday one of the member asked. For new members, which platform would you suggest, either Ninja Trader or TradingView? So TradingView, that's the first platform I would suggest because it's easy user interface, not so complex. Once you get a hang of it, you can easily learn different options, right? How to place trades. You don't need to learn a lot. Okay, there are a lot of so many features out there, but you don't need to know everything. Just a simple how to navigate multiple tickers, how to set up alerts, right? How to change the contract, for example, if it's the contract expiry, how to see new contracts, how to execute trades, place stop loss orders, limit orders, right?
Yeah.
How to add indicators, how to do the settings. Very simple user interface, easy to use. And once you get a hang of it, you will not even liking any other interface. Okay, it's very easy and easy to learn, quick to master as well. So always go with the trading view first. Even if you sign up for any new accounts, go with the TradeAway with the trading view and place your trades in trading view.
Okay.
Then once you are good with this, you can go to Ninja Trader. But I don't think you would even need Ninja Trader, okay? Because when we started, we don't have any option, okay? We were all struggling to do with Ninja Trader, okay? We were looking at the trades in trading view, we were placing trades there, so we missed the trades. So for you guys, there is no problem like that. You have everything is available in trading view.
Yeah.
So when you use the trading view, are you using the replicanto to copy the trades?
Replicanto you can directly use to copy in Ninja. Okay? Your trading view is just a software charting.
It's
Just
a
a charting.
replicanto. It's not working for me for some reason.
No, it is right. Whatever is the leader account here, that will be your replicant leader account. Whatever account you are using in TradingView.
Yeah, I'm using the same, but sometimes it's copied when I make the purchase order.
Are you
it
doing
won't.
very quick scalps or because if you
No,
try to do very quick scalps, it may not copy the same trade into your child accounts.
no. Because I placed an order, I thought maybe it's copied to the other one, but it didn't do it. And when I go back and sell it, it sold all the copied to the other accounts and sold it, but it's never made an order.
Right.
So, but it's when I place order, it's not placing order in other child accounts. But when I sold it, it's selling in all accounts and making short on child accounts.
Right. Yeah, I got that point. But again, if you are creating a, then what I suggest is just to do the market orders. Because if you do a limit order on your, for example, let us say on a leader account, you are doing a limit order.
Mhm.
And suddenly the price is moving up, right? For silver or gold.
Yeah.
Then because you may have 10 accounts, 20 accounts, that order is not getting filled in the child accounts.
Yes.
But when you are selling it, so what I suggest is just do a market order, then you won't have this problem. If you click on market order, then the same order will get filled into all the accounts instead of limit order.
Yeah,
So sometimes you say the working, when I go to look at the Ninja Trade window, it shows the working.
Limit orders, right? It is not working for me also. Only market order, it is copying to the child accounts.
Right. So, right, yeah. If anyone facing that issue, better you do the market, right? Just click on those blue button, red button.
Yeah.
That will copy the trade into all the accounts without any issue.
Yes.
You may miss one tick or two ticks, but overall, if you have multiple accounts, it will copy trade into all the accounts. Right? Because when you are doing a limit order, there is no guarantee. It may get filled in one account, two accounts, all 20 accounts. We never know. But when you do the opposite order, at that point of time, it may get filled in all the accounts. So limit order is always, it's a 50-50 chance. When you're, if you are trading when the momentum is very high, your limit order may not get filled in your child account. So just right, that's why you go with ES or some tickers where there is a high liquidity, so that there won't be much spread, much difference between the bid and ask. So you can just do a market order.
So if
Even
any issue with the replicanto, the Ninja Trader will be responsible for that, or they can give, because I placed on only one order, but that it copied 4 times, and I never know that it's placed 4 orders, and it's still sitting there. I closed it, but the 4 accounts still sitting there in the Ninja Trader.
It happened to me as well. Sometimes it happens. In that case, what you can do, quickly go and disconnect from connections. Okay, and then restart Ninja Trader, and then connect again. Those pending or submitted orders will go away.
But it's already placed. The order placed, and there I have to go manually.
Those are the bugs. Okay, those are the bugs with Ninja Traders. Unfortunately, it happens to me many times. And so we are not Ninja Trader experts. Okay, we need to log tickets with the Ninja Trader and need to follow up with them. Unfortunately, that is a tedious process.
Yeah, actually, there is one more option. Like even I face the same problem. What we can do, go to the positions and here, right click and flatten everything, right? Then it will close all the open positions.
Even the submitted ones are open ones only.
The open ones, the positions, it's already filled and.
Yeah, they're open, it will fill, but there are some situations where your orders will be in submitted status, okay, not in a filled status. It happened to me. Those submitted status will be in a yellow color or orange color. Okay, I don't know if it happened to anybody or not. If it happens, whenever the order got filled, you will get the order in a cyan color, right? If it is not filled, if it is in submitted status, it will be in orange color. In that case, it won't go away. Sometimes the submitted status will get stuck. It will not get filled, and you will continue to see the same submitted order on your chart. Even if you click that X mark, it won't go away. Nothing will happen. It will freeze. If that happens, quickly disconnect your connection restart NinjaTrader, then again connect, it will, that submitted order will go away.
So when I sometimes I see the yellow dot on replicant of copy and the child accounts. What does that mean?
I think yellow.
Yeah, that means there is no sync between your parent account and child account. So if you see that yellow, that means that the copy did not happen. Immediately, what you need to do is you change the right leader account on that. Right? For example, you have Apex 1 as the leader account, and you have Apex 2, 3, 4, which are in the yellow color.
Yeah.
So now what you do, you change the leader account to Apex 2 in the replicant. So that when you go and close your that the leader account position, the trades will not right. Those sell orders will not happen on this 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Right. So that yellow color will help you to identify that okay, there is no sync between the leader and child. You got that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
In that way, yeah. Right. Yeah. There are right. Yeah. Some. So that's why. Right. Again, softwares. Right. Every software, even the NinjaTrader is 10, 20 years. Replicanto is 4, 5 years old. There will be some technical issues or some user errors. We'll learn them as part of the process. And we have to basically live with the technical issues. Or right, they will be. That's why they will be giving upgrades again and again. Whenever somebody reports an error, they will fix that. They will send a new version of Replicanto.
Fortunately, no software can be 100% bug free, right? Every software have bugs.
Yes.
Function also, yeah.
Shiva, like the EMA, right? The indicator, how to.
Yeah, EMA, just the first one, select the first one.
This one,
No, the first one from the top, moving average exponential, the first one.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Even favorites, click on it, it will add. This is just additional confluence, okay? You don't need it. Just for additional confluence, you can. You added 3 times, remove 1 or 2 times.
Right. Yeah. Let's go to the next one because there are still 3, 4 members waiting.
Here.
Go to inputs. Inputs. Go to inputs.
Okay.
Click on length. In the length, add 200. Instead of 9, make it 200.
Okay.
Yeah, and go to style. Style, make it some cyan color.
Kishore, I have one more question. I submitted the payout for on 5th, still is pending. So because
maybe I think because of those because of those rhythmic issues, I think they were busy last year. But I think next 1 or 2 days you should see that in the 15th payout.
Because I'm not paying trading consistently, and also is that matter?
I don't. You'll receive an email if there is any issue with the consistency rule or something. You don't need to place trades every day. Only thing they see is whether you have that 30% consistency. One of the days should not be above 30% gains overall. If you trade it for 10 days and if one of the day has more than 30%, they will ask you to trade for another 2, 3 days or. But otherwise, but most probably because you submitted at the end of the cycle, they might process in this cycle.
When is the cycle starts, Kishore, like the payout?
I think it is 5th and 20th for Apex.
Oh, sorry.
Again,
I think some reason they denied.
okay, they will put a reason. I think that might be that consistency rule might be the major reason. You might have made more than 30% gain on one day.
Oh, should not be like that.
Yeah, that's what I mentioned, right? Your gain should be consistent. You should not make $15 or $2,000 one day and make $100 on other days. You try to be consistent. Maximum, if you have $2,000, one of the days can be $600, right? 30%. Then other days can be 200, 150, like that. But it cannot be $1,500 on one day and you make $50 on all other days.
So even we can go negative also. Is negative going negative also okay?
Yeah, one day you can be negative also. That is fine. 1 or 2 days are right. As long as you are not hitting the trail stop loss, that is fine.
Kishore, you mean to say daily we need to make suppose 50,000 account. Daily we need to make consistently around $300.
No, whatever is the number, right? Whether you make 300, 1,000, 2,000, it should be consistent. Right?
Okay.
You cannot make 2,000 on today, and you
Ah.
cannot make $100 on all the other 9 days or 14 days. If you are making 400, 500, 300 every day, that is good.
Oh, every day 300. Okay, we have to
So,
target.
for example, if you made 3,000 in 15 days,
Okay.
3,000, 30% is $900. So
Yeah.
one of the days, maximum profit on one of the days can be 900.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
it's better you stop trading after you hit 900. That is also a good thing, right? That's one strategy you can follow so that you don't go over the 30%. So when it comes to the payout time, it will be easy to get approved.
How you may be able to remedy
Per day, we
next
did not
day,
cross the $900. That's what we are
then the
saying.
link.
No, it is not exactly 900. What Shiva is telling is if
Given section
average you are making $300, let us say, right, on most of the days, then yeah, when you make 900, if you are making $400 every day, then 1,200 is your limit. Once you make 1,200, you stop trading for the day.
Oh,
On one of the days, you got lucky because of FOMC or some report or something. There some good trades happened. But once you make 1,200, you stop. Otherwise, you make $3,000-4,000 on the day, but only making 300 on all other days.
uh,
They feel like you are doing some right. You are playing opposite directions. On one account, you are playing long. One account, you are playing short, like that.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
So they are
Yeah, I
looking for
think mine is the 30% rule, windfall gamble.
right. Yeah, but yeah, if you trade for next 3-4 days, 1 week consistently, that will get averaged out. So they want us to stop the payment. Only thing is you have to make it whatever is the highest amount. When they average it out, it should be the maximum 30% on one of the days.
Oh, the average they will check for last 15 days. Every 15 days. They
Right. Yeah. Whenever you are requesting for the payout, they will check for that period.
Oh,
We should
Once
not
they
make more than 400 any day.
next,
We should be making
which account?
400 to 500. That's it.
This is my last question, maybe. I have FX, right? FX rhythmic and FX Blue Knox. I bought it one. What you suggest? Which account I can purchase next?
you can go with Elite Trader Fund.
A light trader fund.
Yeah, they have. You can connect along with Apex and yeah, Apex Rhythmic, Apex Trader 8.
And if you want, Bullnox is giving a 250K account with the
But
cheaper.
Bullnox, right? He has a lot of Rhythmic accounts.
So,
Yeah, he cannot trade all of them together with Bullnox.
yeah,
I have one more system, Kishore, like this.
Yeah, then you can get Bullnox in that system.
Okay, okay. I need to buy replicant, all right? That's
Right.
Okay, okay. I will do that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. We already took a lot of time. Yeah, Kiran, what is your question? So I didn't get that. You got a Bullnox PA. What is your question after that?
Yeah, hi Kishore, thank you. So, I cleared one EA account maybe 1 or 2 weeks back.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't sign up or anything. Okay, so if you can allow me, I can share my screen. Now I'm trying to log in again, and it says
Generally, right, once you complete your EA within 2 to 3 days, you have to sign for their PA.
oh, that means that is gone now.
Otherwise, yeah, you lose that option. They think like you are not interested to go ahead.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Are you seeing my this rhythmic or you're seeing?
We are seeing Telegram channel.
Okay, sorry. Let me- Yeah, hope you're seeing now.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, this is my VPS account. So I
right.
signed, and if you look at this, I have 5 Apex accounts and TradeAway one account.
Okay.
I was I used this many months back, so I burned so many accounts. So that's the number you can see 30 from 30s you can see.
Yeah, that is fine. Yeah, everybody will make mistakes in initial days. Yeah.
Yeah. This time I'm being cautious. I'm attending all your meetings, and you can see pretty much everything is 1500 above.
Mm,
Okay.
nice. Yeah, good job. Yeah.
Yeah, so just now, I mean, in the last meeting, you mentioned that I can connect both TradeAway and Apex at a time. So can I connect Bullnox to at a time, same time, or how is it?
No, you cannot connect Apex Rhythmic and Bullnox Rhythmic at same time,
Okay.
but you can connect Apex Tradeaway and Bullnox Rhythmic because Bullnox doesn't have Tradeaway. So Ninja will only allow one rhythmic connection at a time.
Oh, okay. So Apex is rhythmic. So Bullnox and TradeAway are allowed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then somehow I'm not able to log in into this. It was working fine, everything before.
You can just send a mail to them. They will reset and tell them you are interested to get the PA account. They will offer it.
Yeah, but this to join this is the details, right? User ID, password, and
You have all those details there, right? Rhythmic account on the Bullnox page.
yes, but that is also not connecting now. Let's say if I disconnect Apex and oh,
No, you already completed EA to PA for the Bullnox account.
right.
Order now, now just request for the PA account activation.
Yeah, but irrespective of that, there is connection is not working. So is that
No, as I said, like you
okay?
have to go to the. You can either use Apex or Bullnox. What you have to do, go to the Ninja Trader website. Put the Bullnox will give you license key for the Ninja Trader.
Right.
You have to import that license key.
Oh,
If you copy this and paste it there, and then
oh,
you will be able to connect to Bullnox Rhythmic and Apex Trader with.
okay, okay. So okay, then I need to keep switching then whenever I need it.
Yeah,
If
if
I
you want to use Apex Rhythmic, yeah, you need to keep switching it. Or if you have two different systems, on one system use this license key, and on another system have another Ninja Trader with the Apex license key.
okay, then I'll wait. I don't want to sign up. That's the reason I didn't sign up for Bullnuts. Uh,
Right. Right. Again, if you have VPS, on
mm,
VPS you have Ninja Trader with Apex Trader with Apex Rhythmic. If you have a personal laptop, you install a Ninja Trader and use this
yeah, my
license.
personal laptop is not that. I don't want to trust the internet. This internet keeps going on and off. So that's
Yeah.
the reason I went for VPS. Then I
Yeah.
have done with VPS maybe.
Right. It's fine. Right. Yeah.
So okay, well, once I make money with this Apex, maybe. Yeah, as you said, one step at a time. So I'll
Right.
wait.
Right. Yeah. First you make money with Apex and then use that money and get few more companies and
Yes. Yeah, I saw someone was sharing it. Yeah, great job, whoever it is. I don't know, is it Sagar or some, yeah,
mm, yeah.
Santosh. All right, yeah. Thanks, Kishore.
Sunil, yeah. So Sunil is doing a great job. Yeah.
Sunil, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Sunil.
He's consistently. Yeah. He started with a lot of questions. Yeah, but yeah, he learned very quickly, and he's using Prism. He's using everything in the
Yeah,
right way.
I heard, I think few days back also he mentioned this, that he's enabling this prism whenever you give the signal, whether it is short only or long only. Yeah,
Right.
I was observing it on the SIM account. Yeah, definitely that is working. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Pradeep, do you have any other questions?
It's quick question about VPS, Kishore. So I see 3 different plans. So the $50 trader VPS is good enough.
Yeah, that is good enough. Yeah.
My
If you have
laptop is
too many companies, you have too many accounts, then you can go with higher plan. But if you are only trading with Apex, then yeah, $50 plan is good enough.
just Apex. My laptop is making hissing sound.
Yeah,
I
yeah. Then
think,
yeah. Yeah, think like an entrepreneur, right? We are not investing our own money. So it is, yeah, just that $50 can make the difference between winning a PA account and losing a PA account. So yeah,
Okay.
these are minor investments we are making for a. So you saw, right? There were few members in last week. He mentioned he's making 5K every day in the evening
That's
session.
nice.
So yeah, there is a huge potential. The only thing is, yeah, initially all of us will make mistakes. We need to learn from those mistakes and try to not repeat them. That's
We are giving a platform to learn from others' mistakes too. That is helping great deal.
right, right. Yeah,
Growing together as a company. Thank you.
yeah,
All other traders too. Thank you.
sure. Yeah. Hariprasad, do you have a question?
Yes. So thanks for the opportunity to talk actually. The CL, it is a bearish ticker, right? To start, that's how it started, right? Then when we are doing, like when we are doing the buy, the channel was like looking downwards. So,
Again,
what makes the confidence, because of the buy of that, all that
right. You have
confluence.
that 5 minutes, 15 minutes RSI green. You got the buy signal. You have the green background. You have the ultimate day buy. Right. You have multiple confluences. When 4 out of 5 are giving you that it will go up, then we have more confidence in the trade.
Okay, even the channel is showing downwards. That is
Right,
only
because
that,
yeah, because the trend is again changing to bullish.
Okay. And question regarding the VPS. So I think it was mentioned somewhere in your document also. What is the site we can go for that
Yeah,
VPS?
there are different websites, but Chart VPS is one of the good companies. They have good customer support and all those things. So, but yeah, you can just Google for the VPS for trading. Yeah, you will get many websites. You can choose whichever you want.
And we have to use the desktop. We cannot use a Mac, right? For that.
No, VPS means it is already desktop. So you can connect to VPS from anywhere, right? That is like your additional computer located at some other place where you don't have any internet issues or speed issues, right? You are only using that only for your trading purpose. You
Do
can
we
connect,
have to buy another replicant license, Kishore, if we do VPS?
or you have to give the machine ID of that one. If you are not using your laptop and you are only using that VPS, you have to, yeah, right, get the machine ID from that VPS and give it. So we have to change it in the backend, but you cannot use both. Either you can use your local laptop. If you want to use both systems, then you need to get 2 replicant licenses.
Will replicant update it if we say this is my new machine ID, or I have to buy a separate license?
That's what. If you are not going to use your local laptop, if you send me to it, I'll send it to Replicanto team. They will update it.
Okay, thank you.
So, but only you can use only one with one license, one laptop, one system at a time.
Okay.
Yeah.
And,
Sham, do you have?
Regarding the morning calls you are taking, those QQQ, when you are making a decision when actually with the first buy symbol itself, or with the first confidence, because you are putting like for example looking at the ES or NQ getting a or a QQ getting a buy. on the 5, when are you making the decision to buy? Actually, like, if you're selling puts or
Again, it is the
buying
same
calls.
strategy for anything, whether you do futures or options or stocks, whether you use channel bottom strategy or you use right. We know QQQ went so much high, then there was a pullback, and again it started moving up. We took it. It moved so much. Suddenly there was a drop. Right, we booked 80% profits when it went to the midpoint. Then we held the 20%, and then it started again. After there was a pullback, and again it started moving up. So yeah.
And
So
there are two decisions you are making, like on the same day and also next day, and also sometimes you are making decision for that Friday. So how are you making those choices?
again, right, for stocks, generally you won't have same day expiry. For only indices, you will have same day expiry. And also, if you are in love, if you are taking a trade in last half an hour, 30 minutes, it is little risky. So we'll go with. And also, right, yesterday we had CPI. CPI gave good numbers. Generally, if CPI comes good, PPI also comes good. Right, one is like producers inflation index, one is consumers inflation index. Generally, most of them will be same. If CPI gave good, PPI numbers will come good. That means market will again go up. So that's the reason yesterday I took the QQQ calls in the last few minutes. Today we made over $20,000 with that QQQ calls. So yeah, again, all this
Go ahead,
yeah
sorry.
things comes with experience and based on right looking at the news, looking at the reports, what events are happening, what earnings are happening. Right, AVGO, we are bullish. If AVGO goes up, we know that SMCI, Nvidia, all the chip stocks will go up today. Right, same thing happened. If all of those go up, QQQ will go up. So both PPA report and AVGI earnings both help to uh, right to make nice profits with the QQQ calls.
Thank you, Kishore. I'm good. You can take the next one. And you're sitting right for it. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Sam, what is your question?
Sure. How you're trading like
Yeah, Kishore, somehow I'm not able to enable that Prism and Spectrum, Kishore.
Spectrum, we did not give permission, but Prism, why you are not able to enable?
Yeah, I can show my screen. I never used that, so you showed me earlier, but yeah.
Yeah, if any of your questions are quick, you can post it in the chat window, Sachi Venkat. But if you have to share the screen, you can just wait. Once Sam is done, I'll unmute Sachi and Venkat Halapati. Okay, yeah, right click.
Yeah, Kishore.
First thing is you have to be in 5-minute Aikanashi. You are in 1 minute.
Yeah, when I keep that 5 minutes, yeah, this is the one, right?
No. Oh, yeah, click on the drop down again.
Okay.
Click on configure at the bottom. Yeah, select
Oh.
add on the left side. Add on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah, say okay. Okay, now click on add on the right side. Yeah, make that 5 minutes. Instead of 1, make it 5.
Okay.
Say okay. Yeah, apply. Apply, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, close it. Yeah, now go to the drop down and from a high Kanashi, select 5 minutes. The second drop down, yeah. Yeah, select 5 minutes at the bottom. No. You have to go to high Kanashi. Right, at the bottom you have high Kanashi. Select the 5. Okay, now right click. Go to strategies.
Yeah, now I'm able to see that. Yeah, both I have.
Yeah, you have, but you may download the software, but we gave access to only Prism to all the members as a complimentary.
Oh, okay.
Generally, Prism we charge $399 only for Prism.
Oh,
For Trading View, we charge $399. But last month, just to support members, we gave
okay.
everything for $399.
Oh, okay, Kishore. Thank you, Kishore. Yeah, so I added here.
Yeah, again, right? Whatever I explained to the other member, if the ticker is bullish, you will do long only. If the ticker is bearish, you will do short only. You will disable
Okay.
that.
Yeah, Kishore. I added this one and I want to make it as a template and I will follow the same for other tickers also. So that's it. Yeah.
Right, go to the top and disable the session timing. Enable session is there, right? Disable that. Otherwise, the trades will only happen between the 10 o'clock to 11:30.
Okay.
And also disable the target profit.
Okay.
And you come down and enable checkbox. Enabled.
This
You
one
have
also.
enabled.
Yeah.
And click that. Come down and click on the template. You have template. Save. You can say HG or something. Yeah, save as day. Yeah, save.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. You do the same thing for every ticker.
Do I
Apply,
need to
okay.
apply?
Yeah. Right, as of now, you enabled it on a SIM account.
Okay, Kishore. Now it is so how do I take the trades with this?
Right, wait for my alert in the morning time. Right
Okay.
now, it is not a good time because volume will be very low. It
Yeah,
will be chopped.
Kishore. Yeah, Kishore. I
So
understand.
whenever in the morning around 8:45, I will tell you that okay, these tickers are good for bullish, these are good for bearish.
Okay.
Whenever
In
I
that
say
time,
something is good for bullish, you have to open the chart and select long only.
so again, I have to go. Let me close this one. Yeah. Just I want to make sure. Yeah. This is how, right? Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that instead of 1 minute, you select 5 minutes there. The base period value, make it 5.
Okay.
You say okay. Now, right click, strategies. Now go to the bottom and select the template. Or first add the prism algo. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Now go to template and you select the template which you saved.
Yeah, I already saved, right?
Load, click on load. That means instead of you making all the changes, you are selecting that HG prism. Select that. Yeah, say load. Then all those values are now you have to just enable it. You have to select that enable checkbox.
Oh, this one.
Right.
Oh, okay. So, and also I'm not able to see this SIM account anywhere in my trader weight. Where should I
Yes.
see?
SIM account is like your paper account in the Ninja Trader.
Yes.
Yeah. Whichever account you want to use, you have to select that account from the list in the morning time.
Okay. So enable means every time I should come here and do that. That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Kishore. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Sachi.
Kishore, My thing got resolved. Shiva told me I texted him, so he said to restart. So I restarted. It was not copying to the replicant, so now I'm good.
Okay, cool. Good. Yeah, also, Sunil is your friend, and yeah, Sunil Sunil is doing a great job, Sachi. So
Yeah, he's
he's
doing good job. Today I was talking to him. I said, Sunil, I blew up so many accounts. So he said, yeah. Only thing is how to do bullnox. If at all I need additional accounts, how to use the bullnox? I need some help. But let's utilize this account that they revived for me. If
right, right.
I
Yeah,
don't revive them, then I'll need your help for the bullnox.
sure, sure. Sham, do you have any other questions? Venkat?
Hello.
Yeah, Venkat, do you have a question?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm not able to import answer Prism strategy into my Ninja Trader. Shall I share my screen to show?
Yeah, I think already you sent your machine ID, right, yesterday?
I'm trading UID, right?
No, the Ninja Trader machine ID. Did you send that or not?
I I don't
Okay,
think
you
so.
can share
But
you can share your screen. I'll tell you what to
yeah.
do.
Okay.
If anyone else is new and if they need Prism access, just follow the same steps what Venkat is doing.
Yeah. Yeah, you were able to see it, right?
Right. You have to go to the connections. Sorry, go to help,
Okay.
third party licensing. Yeah, in the vendor name, you give right choice advisors. No, R should be capital, C should be capital.
A also.
Yeah, A is also capital. Right. And here you can put your last name.
Okay. This is 100.
Yeah. Yeah. Or
Okay.
you can add some last four of your phone number or something so that easy to identify. Yeah. Don't put any hash, the
Okay.
hashes. Just put 1234 or something.
Okay.
Yeah, click on submit. Yeah, copy that and paste in the Zoom chat. Did you already download the files?
I don't. Yeah, I downloaded it. Where is this chart? Yeah. I can close this one, right?
Yeah. Mm. So are you sure that you imported all the files?
No, I didn't import. I downloaded it, but when I tried to import it from tools only, I need to import it, right?
Right, you have to go to tools.
This is on, right? Ninja script data.
Right.
Yeah. This is on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Say okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Say yes. Yeah, you can just restart.
I can close and open it, right? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So I can close remaining things, right? All these things.
Right, yeah. And you have to do the same steps what Sam did earlier. You close this chart also.
Okay.
Just to, yeah, go to the other chart at the
Okay.
back. Go to that 1 minute drop down.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on configure.
Okay.
Yeah, add on the left side. Say okay. Right. Apply. Okay. Now, yeah, go to that drop down, 1 minute drop down and select 5 minutes. 5 minutes there, yeah. Okay. Now right click, strategies. Yeah, go to that folder, double click. Yeah, double click on that prism. Yeah, you do it again, you do the same thing, disable the session.
Oh, okay. It's going to
Yeah.
the enable session is disabled and
Yeah, for now you can enable it on the sim account. Tomorrow morning, whenever I tell you which ones are good for bullish.
okay. Oh, I'm not able to enable this one. It is not showing enable.
Okay, can you go to your Ninja Control Center?
Sorry, which one? Oh, control center. The other one. Oh. And can I click on cancel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should first establish the connections. Go to connections.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on my rhythmic or
Yeah.
so do you have both Pedaweight and rhythmic?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now go there. Right click. Yeah. That's it.
That's it, right? So I can save this one.
Yeah. Yeah. You can give ES or something. Yeah. Say apply. Yeah. That's it.
Okay. So mornings when you send a message, then we need to enable it, right?
Right. You have to open those stickers. Right now you have ES. For example, if I say that gold is bullish, you will go and just change that ES sticker to gold.
Okay. Over here,
Right.
I need to change it, right?
No, in the drop down, right at the top you see ES, right? Cancel
Oh,
here.
on top. Oh, okay, okay, got it, got it. Okay. Here I need
Right.
to change it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. From the futures, I need to select it, whichever it is going to be or anything.
Right. In the same way, you can do duplicate. You click on come to the bottom. For
Okay.
example, I say 2 tickers bullish, 2 tickers bearish. No,
Okay.
cancel. Yeah, right click on that. So you will say duplicated new tab.
Okay.
For example, if I say ES and gold are bullish,
Yeah.
then you will open 2 different tabs and you enable the prism on both the tabs.
Okay, okay. Okay. Got it. That
Sir, so
enablement.
when you say, sorry, when you say enable the prism means which button you are enabling here?
The checkbox.
Here it is going to, right? Under strategies, we need to enable it, right?
Right. Or if you go to control center, once you open these tabs,
Okay.
go to Ninja Control Center.
Yeah.
You have strategies there.
Okay.
So you have a checkbox at the end.
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it.
So you can also enable and disable there.
Okay. Got it. Here we need to set for which one we want, and we need to enable or disable this one. Got it.
Right. Yeah. So you will keep all the charts ready, and whenever you will just enable them.
Okay.
And what happens if the chart is closed?
If chart is closed, but still it is running, your connection is running, it will take the trades.
Mhm.
Right? You have to come here and disable it if you don't want a trade to happen.
Okay. From the strategies, we need to disable this one. Okay.
Right. Or you have to go to positions. You have positions tab. You will see all the open positions there.
And we need to cancel it, right?
You
Everything.
can, right click and you go, for example, you made some $300, $400 profit.
Okay.
Then if you want to just close it, you can right click and you can say close.
Okay. So if we close this one, if we have any child accounts or anything, all those will be closed, right? If we close a parent account.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
So Kishore, on the similar lines, I have a question on stop loss on Prism. When you say enable Prism, looks like it is taking the trade at the close of the candle, right after the buy signal.
Right.
So when it starts, most of the time it starts with a negative number on
Right,
the.
because there will be spread between, because all these are market orders, right?
Okay.
So market orders will have a difference between the bid and ask.
Okay.
So always there will be, right, any market order you do, whether you do manually or through algo, there will be a difference between the bid and ask.
Okay.
You will always start with a negative number.
Understood. So my question is, mine is a 50K account and I'm still in an EA. The stop loss by default in Prism is 80 ticks.
Right, that is just an example, right? You can change it to whichever number you want.
Sure.
Based on your account size.
Okay. So what would you recommend for different tickers for a 50K? I changed it to approximately between around $150 to $200. And many times when it does a double bottom or a double top, it's hitting my stop loss and it's coming out. And when I hear the other members that they are making profits with Prism, I'm wondering if I'm doing something wrong because all my
No,
Prism
one thing
trades.
is 150 to 200 is too less in the futures, right? Because small candle, because generally when you get a buy candle, generally it will be a big candle.
Okay.
There will be a little bit down and then it will start bouncing back again. Or sometimes, as you said, you can have a double bottom also. So your stop loss should be minimum 300 to $350. So you will use the equivalent ticks. If it is gold, you will put 30 or 35 ticks. If it is crude oil, you will put 35 ticks. If it is ES, you may put some 15 ticks or 16 ticks, something like that. And then even though, right, for example, you may have a double bottom, but the next trade will make $700-800. So first trade might have given you $100 loss or 150 loss. But after double bottom, it will move all the way to the top of the channel. Right?
Okay.
This law.
So just trying to understand what you said. Even in the first trade, if it is $100 or $200 loss,
Right.
I should not still disable the algo. I should still keep it enabled, is it?
Right. Because that is a bullish ticker. There might be a small pullback, right? Or it might be doing a double bottom. But right today we saw ES and Q how they moved. Right today they came and then they went all the way to the top. So in the morning I shared that ES and Q all these are bullish. So yeah, even though one trade you may have a small loss, but the next trade it will make it 3 times of that profit.
Okay. Okay. I put my stop loss too less, I guess, and I actually blew 2 of my EA accounts in TradeWit. I have one more left. I'm trying to be conservative. I'm a little afraid to enable Prism because I
That's
guess,
what,
like you
right?
said,
One is, yeah, you can do with trading view. That is one option, right? So you see the confluence when 5 minutes, 15 minutes is green. Your RSI 5 minutes, 15 minutes is above 50. You have ultimate D green, you have background green. That is one way where you have full control on your trades. Second thing is you may feel that, oh no, I don't have that much time, or I don't have that much, right? So most of us will take profits quickly and hold the losing positions. Right? That is a general problem in trading. Then you just
yes.
depend on the algo and just believe in it and have 300 to 400 as stop loss. Even though one trade goes loss, next trade will make double the profit of that. Only thing you have to do is use if the bullish tickers, right, from the list, the top two, top three, choose them for long only. And the bottom three, which are right more down, more than 1%, 2%, use them as short only, because the trend will continue throughout the day.
Okay.
So you are going according to the trend. You are not selecting both the directions, because if you select both directions, what will happen is, right, whenever there is a small pullback, it is taking a short trade. Right, even though
Understood.
it's a bullish ticker, whenever there is a pullback, it is taking a short trade, and suddenly after 3 4 candles, it will suddenly start going up again. You will be losing on all the short trades.
Okay.
So if the
So
trend is,
your suggestion is $300 or $400 for stop loss?
if it is a 50K account, yeah, I suggest 400 is better.
400.
Right,
Okay.
especially if tickers like silver or right, there are some tickers which suddenly drop and suddenly bounce back. For
Yeah,
those
each tick
tickers,
is $50 in it.
right, yeah, each tick is 25 for silver. So yeah, such tickers 400 is better. Some there are corn or this soya bean, they don't move suddenly. For those, even 300 is also good enough.
Okay. Okay,
But yeah,
understood.
if you, so best thing, right, just to go based on the trend. If the trend is bullish, you have to select long only. If the trend is bearish, you have to select short only.
Okay. Understood.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure. Yeah, anyone else got any other questions?
Sure, one last question. I want to get this Prism algo, but the question is consistency again. So if we enable in the morning time and it takes $700 profit one day, another day it takes 300, 200, then again we'll be in that problem, right? So in that scenario, how should we trade with the algos?
Right. For example, that is a good problem to have, right? In the evening, you do some manual trades and make it 700. But generally, algos, right? If you are taking a bullish ticker and bearish ticker, they will also be consistent, because the trend will be generally consistent. But even if it doesn't, also just take some manual trade in the evening session, and you cover that gap.
Either we have to stop the algos if we reach certain limits.
Yeah, or you can just yeah. Once you make $500 for the day, you disable the algo for the
But
day. That's
there
it.
are chances of the stop loss hitting, right? So it will take some time from EA to PA then again. So basically,
Right. Again, it will, right. If you do as per the process every day, you'll make 400 to 500 easily.
I've blown like almost 10 accounts. So I had
Yeah,
to.
if you, that's what, if you follow, right, everything is in the document. Everything I shared, step by step approach. Or if you are doing manual trading, what you need to look for. If you are doing Prism, what you need to do. Everything is already there in that indicators document. I kept all the strategies, everything. So yeah, if you follow that every day, you'll make $300 $400 without any problem.
This 30% is applicable for all the other prop firms or only Apex having this?
Some companies got 35%, some got 25%, some got 40%. These rules are nearly similar, only the numbers will be little bit here and there.
So initially to pass, clear out the EA, whether we should take it manually, right? First, then we can think of algos. What's your suggestion on this?
Yeah, right. It depends. Yeah, right. Based on if you can spend time, yeah, manual trading, you have more control. You can take trades. You can look at confluence from multiple indicators, multiple things, or you follow these live trading sessions and you take the trades. Or you don't have patience or to watch, or you are not able to control your emotions and quickly booking the profits, then let algo handle it, right? If algos, they will take the full profits. If there is a big bull run, right, today NQ or for example, natural gas went so much down. So every day, right, whatever I share at the end of the day, go and see. Okay, he shared these stickers, right? If I would have enabled the algo, how much it would have made? Or he shared these stocks, right? These are the top stocks, these are the bottom stocks. If I would have bought calls or I would have bought puts, how much I would have made. So after 3 4 days, you will understand that yeah, it is working good. Then you can confidently
We
enable.
can see that RSI. So is it something additional we have to take it? That RSI window you shows, right? That
Right, I'll add that. Right, that is a part of ultimatum algo, but I'll code it in the this one with this with the top trend.
because I was
So
having that ultimatum, but I was not able to see. So thought to ask.
yeah, you will be able to see.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Sandeep, last question. Yeah, Sandeep, please go ahead.
Yeah, Kishore. I see that my TV indicators are not matching with yours.
Sorry, trading view.
My trading view indicators are not matching with yours.
What plan you have?
I took the lifetime.
Okay. So what do you mean by it is not matching? Are you using the same time frame?
Yeah, I'm using that same time frame. I couldn't see the red dot and green dots here.
Can you share your screen?
Sure, like I have one question, last question. The Bulldogs account, I need to create Ninja account, new account, existing
Yeah,
account,
you have to create with a separate email address.
separate email.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen? Sure.
So you are using a wrong indicator, right? We asked you to use Ultimate D at the top.
I don't have that, Kishore.
Mm, okay, can you send me your Telegram user ID?
I pasted in the chat.
Yeah. Yeah, you can log out and log back in.
Okay.
The last one, yeah.
I got it, Kishore. And sometimes if I see a buy below the channel, sometimes by the time we get a green background and the ribbon to the green, the price is going to the median. So is that a good time to take the trade?
Generally, if you are at the bottom of the channel and
Uh-huh.
you get a confluence, right? For example, you got the green in the ultimate D also.
Okay.
Then you can enter. If it is a bullish ticker,
Okay.
then you don't need to. So we are looking for if we get 3 or 4 confluences. We may not get all 5 out of 5 for every type. If we get
Okay.
all 4 or 5, that is best thing. But even if we get 3 or 4 out of 5, that is good. We are not just going with one confluence. It came to bottom of channel. It touched the order block, right? That is the support. Then
Yeah.
you also got a buy at the ultimate day, and your background turned from red to green. It is like a bullish sticker. Then immediately you go long.
Okay. Is there anything to add in my chat? So everything looks good.
The price pulse you have to remove and add it back. Delete it and add it back. So you'll see the new. Right, yeah.
What about the top trend?
Top trend is looking good.
Okay.
Are you using normal candles or Heikenaishi? Can you go to that candle type? After 5 minutes, drop down. Yeah, select that. Yeah, select Heikenaishi. You can see the trend in a better way. Come bottom. Yeah, select Heikenaishi, the first one. Yeah. You can see the colors much better. Whenever you see that yellow color, that is a change in the trend.
Okay.
So if it comes to the bottom of the channel and you see that yellow candle, that is the best time to enter.
Okay, got it. Anything else, Kishore?
No, you are good.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure, Sandeep. Yeah. Anyone else got any other questions?
Yeah, Kishore, I know it's late for you. On the Replicanto, when we open up different tickers, how do we save them? Because I'm preparing myself, like have them like CL, ES, or
Right. You have to
TF.
go to your workspace and save them.
Same workspace as Ninja.
Yeah, right.
Okay, I got it. Thank you. Appreciate it. No more questions. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Yeah, Ashok, I gave you access to TradingView. You have to log out and log back in. Yeah, good night, everyone. Again, morning time, it is little risky with futures trading. Morning time, just to focus on mainly with options or stocks. Evening time is the best one. So every day we are consistently 95% of the time we are making $300-400 every day. So just join these sessions and yeah, right. You don't need to stay all the time, right? Within first half an hour we completed our target, right? Only to answer questions we stayed back for the new members, but yeah. Good night, everyone. Thank you, and talk to you tomorrow.